Everyone. A very good morning and a warm welcome to each and everyone for this first time ever in the history of Mahajana First Grade College live session on capital market operation organized by Department of Commerce and Business Administration in association with the IQAC. We are very much excited to take you through an engaging session packed with insights from a renowned expertise in capital market operation. Mr. Prashanth Kumar ji, Assistant Professor, Department of Studies in Commerce, Vidyavardhaka First Grade College, PG Center, Mysuru. May I now request Karishma Tiwari, finally a BCom student, to introduce and welcome today's resource person.
A very good morning, everyone. I'm Karishma Tiwari from final year BCom. It is my pleasure to introduce today's resource person, Mr. Prashanth Kumar ji, who will be guiding us on through this workshop on capital market operations. With an impressive background and a deep expertise, Mr. Prashanth Kumar ji brings a wealth of knowledge that is both inspiring and highly relevant to our learning journey. Mr. Prashanth Kumar has an extensive experience in academics. He has worked in various colleges and has a vast experience in investing and trading in stock market. Adding to his credit, he has attended various national level workshops, seminar, FDPs, and published an article in a reputed journal. I am confident that we will all leave today with a deeper understanding and practical tools that we can apply in stock market. I welcome you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, Karishma. Now would like to welcome our beloved principal, Dr. B.R. Jaikumari, whose vision and leadership have guided us to make this event possible today. We welcome you, ma'am. We would also like to extend a special welcome to our person who has been a guiding light in all our department activities, Dr. Kumar, Head Department of Commerce. We welcome you, sir. Last but not the least, I would like to welcome to all the teaching and non-teaching staff and students for this one-day workshop. We welcome all the teaching and non-teaching staff and students for this one-day workshop. Now, I request today's resource person, Mr. Prashanth Kumar ji, to take over. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So I would like to thank the management of SBR Mahajana College and Dr. Jaikumari Madam and Dr. Shikumar as my good friend. So providing a best opportunity and inviting me as well. And I'm damn sure that I'm going to fulfill your needs, and I'll definitely make all your students to start earning and depend on anyone else and depend on their food. So definitely they can make a good career in their life after completion of MCom, MBA, and BCom as well. So firstly, I would like to recommend this book. Everyone, I would like to recommend all the students and the participant or teaching, non-teaching staff to read this book. If you want to become perfect, if you want to learn the investment art of investment and before selecting stocks. So this is a famous book in the world which has ever been written on this planet. So I strongly recommend all the students and the participant read this book because I have read this book 8 years back, and this book is still available in Amazon. You can buy the books, you can you can read the books. If you spend at least 1 hour a day, you can become expert in picking the stocks. That will make you rich, and that will make you good profits every week, every month. And don't wait for to get salary for 1 month, but you can make profits every week. And this is the session I'm going to deliver a good value stocks. I'm going to teach you right. So this is fundamental analysis. This book I would like to recommend for fundamental analysis. So the whole stock market has been classified into three parts. One is fundamental analysis, and second part is technical analysis and psychology. So psychology, 99% the psychology works because someone says that you go and buy the stocks. No, it doesn't work that. So most of the time, most of the year, most of the week, psychology always work. So don't listen to any negative persons. So because today I'm going to share my 9 years of experience. My 9 years of experience because I published articles in reputed journals. So last year also I'd been to Annamala University. I present the same articles in stock market. So I was the only person who presents stock articles related to stock market and capital market operations in the field of finance and investment. So before buying any stocks, we have to analyze which company, which sector is going to buy. Right. So here I don't use any PPT right now. I go live market. So this is an Indian index. So are you seeing that? Visible? Is it visible? Right? Screen is visible. Okay. So it Indian index, Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, Sensex, Nifty IT, Nifty Pharma, Nifty Reality, Nifty Metal, Nifty Media, Nifty FMGCs, and Finance Nifty. So if you think of Nifty 50, what does it mean? Well, what does it mean? That so top 50 companies in India, top 50 companies in India from all the sectors. So if you click on the Nifty 50, fundamentals opens. Fundamentals open. So Nifty 50 stands for what? Top 50 companies in India from all the sectors. From all the sectors. So look at the top company in India: Reliance, TCS, HDFC Bank, Bharti Airtel, in ICC Bank, Infosys, SBI, State Bank of India, ITC, Hindustan, HUL. There are 50 companies from all the sectors, from banking sectors, non-banking sectors, power sectors, auto sectors, IT sectors, pharma, FMGC. There are different sectors, but all the sector do not perform same time. All the sector do not give same returns every time. We need to analyze. So if you look at the last past 3 months, 4 months, IT sector has given super returns. If you want to become rich within span of 3 months, you can become rich person. But how to invest that? This is a fundamental analysis. But before buying the stock, we need to analyze how long the, for example, I take Infosys company. So this is a famous website. You can use the website screener.com. So you can note down screener.com, Yahoo Finance, Money Control, investing.com. This is a famous website. It's a free of cost. Anyone can use. It's a free of cost. I repeat once again, screener.com. So investing.com, Money Control, and Yahoo Finance. This is a famous website. Everyone is allowed to use. It's a free of cost. They won't charge any penny from the student, from the participant. So before buying any stock, what we need to understand, what we need to analyze. Screen is visible there. Screen better open ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The screen visible, right? Okay. So this screener.com. Before analyzing any stock, we need to analyze company's balance sheet. So the profit and loss account. So look at the Infosys company, because if you analyze Infosys company from 2013, look at the sales, look at the profit, look at the net profit of company, Infosys company. From 2013, 40,000 crores, 50,000 crores, and 53,000 crores. Again, 2016. This is a year-wise analysis. Look at the net profit of a company. So 9,000 crores, 10,000 crores, 12,000 crores, 13,000 crores, and 14,000 crores. So there's a famous quote has been said by Warren Buffett, the richest man in the world. Everyone might have heard the person. Warren Buffett started investing journey at the age of 16. He is now 85, 90 years of old. The person in the world is the richest man in the world. So he has got such huge amount of money. He can live for 1,000 years, because he started his journey at the age of 16 and is one of billionaires in the world. He's a marketing guru. So he says that don't study stock price of a company, you study business of a company. So don't value or don't look at the stock price of the company, you study business of a company. What kind of company you're investing? First of all, which sector are you going to invest your huge money? Right. So are you going to invest on IT sectors, or pharma sector, or banking sectors, or non-banking, FMGCs, reality, or there are different sectors, but all the sector do not perform simultaneously at the same time. They need time, because market once go up, market has to come back. because so many people till today have argued with me, because finally I won the battle with them. How the company pays dividend, how the company has maintained the corporate governance. Because before buying the stock, we need to analyze who is in the company, who is running the company. Because everyone has heard of Nayan Murthy, Sudha Murthy, Nandan Nilekani, Ratan Tata, Mukesh Ambani. There's a famous company in the world, right? So look at the profit of a company, Infosys company, from 2013 till 2024, till today. Look at the revenue. Look at the profit of company. The profit of a net profit. Look at the sales and net profit. The net profit of company has increased, right? A net profit of company has increased that, and same manner look at the dividend payout ratio. Look at the EPS, right? So what is the formula to dividend to calculate EPS? Net profit divided by number of outstanding shares, we get net EPS, earning per share. Next, look at the dividend. The company has been continuously paying good dividend for the shareholders, and today also the company is paying 21 rupees per share dividend. Infosys. If you look at the Infosys, I show. So look at the dividend now. Today is the last X dividend date. The company has declared 21 rupees per share dividend. And you believe it or not, I have received many times dividend from Infosys. More than 15,000, 20,000 have received dividend from Infosys company. Right. So next. So look at the Infosys net profit, right? And look at the sales of company, right? 10 years compounding the sales growth, 10 years and 5 years and 3 years. Look at the stock price CAGR. Have you heard this concept CAGR? Have you heard this concept? Compounding annual growth rate. That means that every year the company is growing 35%, 4%, 5%, and 14%. For the last 10 years, the company has grown 14% per annum. We're going to return on equity. What is return on equity? The amount of investment the amount of capital you invest on company share, the company has given tremendous returns. So if you keep your money in bank account, what is the rate of return you get? Hardly 7%, 6% per annum. But the stock is giving continually for the past 20 years. The stock has been giving every year 15%, 20% per year. That means your capital is doubling every year. But the bank, what is the rate of interest you're getting in bank? Only hardly 6%, 7%. Because before buying any stock, we need to keep this so many points in our mind. One is who is in the company, whether the management is good, like SBRR, then corporate governance, there is no misuse of any funds, and whether the company is making profits every year, 10% every year, 10%, 15%, 20% every year for the past 10 years, for the past 15 years, and whether the company is paying dividend for the shareholders, whether the company is giving returns to the investors. So these things we have to keep in mind before investing any stocks, before buying any stocks, right? So this is the IT sector, because in India there are thousand IT sector software company in India, but none of the company are able to beat Infosys and TCS and Tech Mahindra and Wipro and Tech, because these are the blue chip companies. You might have heard this word, blue chip companies. What is the blue chip companies in terms of market capitalizations, right? Market capitalizations is very huge. The more number of investors have invested the capital on this company. That means the stock 100% has given returns till date. Till date. This is this is fundamental analysis. Okay. In stock market, there are different types of stocks. Large cap stocks, mid cap stocks. Here, this is this is IT company, because Infosys belongs to IT sector, software. They build the software, they sell the software. And are you seeing that this company is coming to category large cap? What is the large cap stocks? What is large cap stock? 7,74,899 crores. That means the number of people who invested that company. That means this company 100% has given returns. In coming days also, the company will give you 100% returns, right? So look at the PV ratio, price to earning ratio, and PB ratio, sector PE, dividend yield, return on equity, and look at the stock rate. This year, in the month of January 2024, the stock price was 1,351. Look at the now, Here, high, the stock has gone high to almost 1991. What is the rate of return? Right. What is the rate of return? So almost you get 50 to 60% returns. But if you keep the same amount in a bank account, what's the rate of return you get? Hardly 6%, 7%. But the stock has given you 30%. But still the year is not completed. January, if you are invested some amount in January, in month of January on stock or Infosys stock, what's the rate of return? Because in the month of January, February, the stock was 1351. Now it has gone to 1991, right? Because I don't fix my money in depositor, but I know the stocks, how the stock give returns, because I've been in market more than 9 years, and this is the second time I'm conducting live trading workshops, right? Look at the net profit of company, right? So again, there are 50 companies in Nifty 50 includes top 50 company in India from all the sectors. So Airlines, TCS, HDFC Bank, Bharti Airtel, Infosys, SBI Bank, from all the banking sectors. And the Nifty 50 includes all the stock from different sectors: SBI banking sectors, FMGCs, pharma, and IT, non-IT, then FMC and conglomerate. These are different sector. Or Nifty 50 includes that. What is the Nifty? That's the Indian index. These are Indian index. Next, Nifty Bank. What does it mean? This index include only banking stocks. Only banking stocks. HDFC Bank. This is the top banking banks in India. HDFC Bank, ICC Bank, Axis Bank. Both combination of public banks and private banks. So ICC Bank, Axis Bank, and Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank. These are private players in India. And you believe it or not, from the past 5 years, so private sector banks have given tremendous returns compared to public sector banks. For example, SBI Bank. For example, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank. Then these are public sector banks, but compared to private sectors, so private sector stocks has given super returns, and they have increased the wealth of the wealth of the shareholders, and wealth of the nation, as well as the wealth of the investors. Until they the Next, Nifty IT. This is another index. This index include only IT sectors. IT sectors, TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech, Wipro, LTM, Tech Mahindra, Persistent, Emphasis, LTTS, Cofor. So these are the famous and top software companies in India. Nifty IT. So if all the stocks move increases, this index also increases. If all the stocks fall down, this index also fall down. Again, Nifty Pharma, because these are the basics. So those who are the first time I enter into market, this is the basic need to learn, and they have to keep this information in the mind before investing and before stepping into any market, right? Nifty Pharma. Look at the Nifty Pharma now. So this index constitutes top pharma company in India, because India has always considered as hub of pharmaceutical industry. Because when you compare to other world, there are more than 230 to 40 nations in the world, but in India, more than 1,000 pharma companies in India. And in India, who are the top players in India? Pharma companies: Sun Pharma, DVS Lab, Cipla, Torrent Pharma, Dr. Reddy, Zydus Life, Lupin, Mankind, and Aro Pharma. These are the top pharma sectors in India. This Nifty Pharma. Next, Nifty Reality. So DLF, reality stand for what? The company which constructs the building and do real estate business. Those company are called so reality sectors. So DLF, you might have heard DLF, the famous company in India: Lodha, Godrej Property, Oberoi Realty, Prestige, Phoenix, Brigade. This is as Shobha Arraignment. These are the famous company in field of what? Reality. The company which construct the buildings and lands. They do the real estate business. This company are called reality sectors. Next, Nifty Metal. So you might have heard silver, aluminum. These are the metal stocks. Adani Enterprises, JSBC Steel, Hindustan Zinc, Tata Steel, Vedanta, Hindalco, Jindal Steel, NMDC, JS Steel. This is the what? These companies come under metal stocks. Metal stocks. Next, Nifty Media. In this index, only Sun TV, PVR. So all of you have gone to PVR movie to watch the movies. So have you seen the PVR stock? So instead of going to movie, if you had purchased the stocks of a PVR company, so you would have got good returns, right? Because if you buy the tickets, you have to pay at least 500 rupees per ticket or 400 rupees per ticket. So instead of buying tickets, if you had bought the stocks of PVR Inox, so you would have earned good profits. PVR stocks, because my favorite stock, and we have made good profits. Today I'm going to discuss how much profit we have made within span of 3 to 4 months. I'm going to discuss my account. So my client, I'm handling a client also. Within span of, believe it or not, within span of 3 to 4 months, we have made 7 lakh profits within span of 3 to 4 months. Because I disclosed my account, but because till date I have not disclosed anywhere. So because opportunity given by Mahajana College Kumar, I'm going to disclose my account, and I show how much profit we have made for the past 3 to 4 months. Again, into Network 18, Zeal, and Sage, Nazara. This company come under media sectors. Media, I mean TV and channels and all. Next, Nifty FMGCs. During Corona, the whole world was locked down. India was also locked down, 2020. But at the time, only two sectors had performed very well. One is because there was huge demand for FMCG, because every day we use toothpaste, shampoo, powder, milk. We use every day. We use that. The same manner, another sector called pharma sector, because there was a huge demand for medicines and vaccines and bed tablets and syrup for them. And these sectors are called defensive sectors. Defensive, because these sectors, FMGCs as well as pharma sector, they always perform in all the months, because there is a huge demand for FMGC company. For every day we use soap, shampoo, then toothpaste, milk powder. Every day, every week we use that. In the same manner, we also use medicines, because if you go to hospital, there are thousands of patients. They need medicine, they need bloods, and they need tablets, they need food, right? And the demand for all the stocks in each area is always. There's huge demand for all stocks, and these sectors are called defensive sector. If last 3 months, IT sector has performed very well, but now from the 1 month, the IT sector is not performing, because IT sector has already given returns. It has to come back to the level. It has to come back to the level, right? This is IT sectors. So if you look at the form FMC sectors, this index constitutes ITC. So during Corona, the ITC share price was only 150 rupees. Now the stock has increased to almost 600 rupees per share. 2020, it's been 4 years. It has been 4 years since then. The stock has increased from bottom 150 to almost 550, 600 rupees per share. What's the rate of return? Right? That's why there is a secret. The rich people are getting richer. The poor people are getting poorer, because no one would like to share the secrets to poor people to become rich and make the rich, because no one can make you rich. You have to make you rich yourself. You have to become rich yourself. Because today I'm going to show a bill. So from today onwards, definitely your life will change if you take seriously this concept. If you implement this concept in your life, this subject, definitely you don't need to search for job. You can combine your friends, invest huge amount of capital. You can start your startup, right? So these are famous players in India. ITC. So do you know when this company was established in India? 1916. Almost the company was established ITC 1916 till today. The company has been in the market. Almost 100 years have been completed. 100 years have passed. Even though 100 years have passed, the company is still in the market. Look at the capitalizations: 6 lakh crores. 6 lakh crores. That means those number of people, more number of people have invested the amount on ITC company. This is a famous players. ITC, Hindustan Unilever, because every day we use the product of Hindustan Unilever at home. Toothpaste, shampoo. This is a product which has been manufactured by Hindustan Unilever company. ITC, Hindustan Unilever, Nestle India, and VBL, Britannia. We use every day biscuits, right? Biscuits. Then Godrej, United Spirits, and the alcohol beverage company Dabur, Tata Consumer, Colpal, Colgate. So for the past 10-15 years, all of us in my India, all of us has been using Colgate toothpaste for to brush your teeth. So if you are invested 1 lakh rupees for the past 10 years, your investment would have become 50 lakh rupees. Colpal, the famous company. Then Marico biscuits, we use that Marico shampoos, then air oil, then UBL, Radico, Balram Chill. So these are the FMCG company, the top 50 companies in India. That's why I would like to say, always follow elephants. Always follow elephants and dinosaurs in India. Don't follow ants, because ants, we don't know when they will perish in the market. But elephants and dinosaurs always stay in the market. So look at the Reliance company. Reliance company is basically from oil-based company. Now the company has turned into conglomerate company because Reliance company has entered different sectors. So communication sectors, mobile sectors, and broadband sector. Now the company is slowly entering into pharmaceuticals and FMCG sectors. They know exactly. This concept was long back used by Tata Group of company, because Tata company has entered all the sectors. The Tata company has touched the feet of all the sectors. The Nifty Finance. So there are classification of stocks in India. One is growth stock, and dividend paying stocks, and penny stocks. But we don't consider, we don't concentrate, we don't go, because based on my experience, and IPO also, IPO and growth stocks, dividend paying stocks, and penny stock. The stock which is less than, for example, look at the Punjab National Bank. Look at the market capitalization. This stock comes under large cap stock. Why? Because the market capitalization. What is the market capitalization? What is the market capitalization? Look at the market capitalization. The amount of money the people invested on this company, Punjab National Bank, because this comes under large cap stock, because market capitalization last month has crossed 1 lakh 13,378 crores. That means that's amount of money invested on Punjab National Bank. Look at the promoters. Promoters, there is a rules in India. Only 70% are eligible to hold. Promoters has to hold only 70%. Rest remain 30% should be given to public. And FIA. FIA stands for Foreign Institutional Investors. Foreign Institutional Investors. And these are the people. These are players. These are the people who come in the market, do play in the market. So promoters, there's no pledge. FIA stands for Foreign Institutional Investors, and DIS stands for Domestic Institutional Investors. For example, there's a famous company in the world, BlackRock, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs. Well, a famous company in the world, they also invest on the stock. Then DIS stands for Domestic Institutional Investors. That means the SBI fund house, HDFC fund house, then the Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank, and Motilal Oswal's. They're the Indian institutional investors who also invest on the stocks. Look at the retails. So they are less than 2 lakh. Others means remaining participants. These are the players. They always in the market. They always stay in the market. They always invest on stocks. So P stands for what? Competitor. Who are the competitor for Punjab National Bank? Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, Indian Bank, IOB, and IDBI. These are the competitors for Punjab National Bank. So again, so large cap stock, mid cap stock, small cap stock, and flexi cap stock. If you click on any stock, right click, fundamental analysis, fundamentals, look at the market capitalization. So this this stock comes under small cap category. Look at the market capitalization, 8,990 crores. It is less than Infosys, right? Infosys comes under large cap stock, blue chip company, and this stock comes under small cap. There are 4 classification in India: large cap stocks, mid cap stocks, and small cap stock, and flexi cap stock. All the categories are classified based on the market capitalizations, right? Market capitalization. Because if you look at the Infosys market capitalization, the market capitalization is more than 1 lakh crores. And just there comes a small cap stock. Why? Because The market capitalization is very small, only 8,990 crores. That means FII, DY, and promoters and retail participant invested only 8,990 crores. This stock comes under small cap category. Next, look at the stock. This stock this year, this is the performance of just till this stock just 4 to 5 months back. It was only 696. At present, what is the present now? The stock is trading now. If you see the screen, the stock is trading currently 1064. Almost it has increased 40% return, right? Almost 40 to 50% the stock has given returns. Because in the month of January, February, the stock was only 696. The stock has gone to almost 395. This is the lowest point, this is the highest point. If you had bought the stock at 696, what is the rate of return, right? If you have kept the same amount in bank account as the rate of return, you're getting only 6 to 7%. But the stock is giving only 40% with a span of 4 to 5 months. Right? You're saving your money at that in the same manner, you're also doubling your money. Right? Look at the revenue of the company. Look at the revenue of the company. So March 22, March 23, and 24. Look at the profit of the company, right? 70 crore profit, and green bar stand for revenue and blue bar stand for profit, net profit. And 70 crores, March 23, 160 crores. Again, this year, the profit of net profit of company has doubled compared to last year. Last year, it was only 163 crores. Almost 100% they have increased the revenue and profit. Look at the revenue of company, almost 363. So before buying a stock, which company I'm buying the stock? Whether the stock, which category the stock belongs to, whether I'm buying pharma sectors, whether I'm buying any IT sectors. So before any stocks, you use the website. It's a famous website in India, screener.com. So if you type a company, you open the screen. So screener.com, if you open them, type any company. So I open Reliance company, Reliance Industry, Reliance Industry. So click on profit and loss. So look at the profit of Reliance company from the past 10 years. So before any buying a stock, analyze the last 10-year performance of company. If you analyze last 5 years or 10 years performance of company, definitely the stock will give you a super return in coming days. Look at the Reliance company. Sales almost crossed to 395 crores. Look at the profit of company, net profit 20,000 crores, 22,000 crores, 23,000 crores, 29 crores, 29,000 crores. Almost the profit, the net profit of company has increased, has doubled. The same manner, the stock also has given super return. What is the sales growth every year? 3 years, 5 years, and 10 years. Look at the compounding growth. Look at the CAGR, compounding annual growth rate. The company is increasing their revenue and the profit every year 5%, 50%, 90%. Now we're going to return on equity. That means the people who had invested, had bought the stocks of Reliance company, they got 10% returns. 10%, 9%, the past 10%, 9%, 15% every year. That means the stock, one of the famous stocks in India. These are the fundamental analysis. I'm going through all the fundamental analysis, right? Again, so I just show you large cap stocks because Infosys. If you want to know, you can note down though. So Infosys company, TCS, Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank. These are the stocks, the famous stock, all come under large cap category because the market capitalization is very, very huge. No one can compare the market cap. Look at the Reliance company, 18 lakh crores. Reliance company, 18 lakh crores. Can you imagine 18 lakh crores? I don't know how to calculate 18 lakh crores. I don't know how to calculate 18 lakh crores because this stocks comes under large cap category because that means the people. Look at the competitors. And last month also, the stock the board of directors of Mukesh Ambani has announced bonus share. Look at the way 1:1. If you have one share in your demat account, so automatically another one share will be added to your account. 1:1 bonus share. The company has declared bonus shares. Look at the shareholding pattern of company. Again, promoters are holding like Mukesh Ambani, Nita Ambani, Anil Ambani. So they are holding almost 50% of company shares, right? Look at the FII, foreign institutional investors. Again, they're also holding 21.31 percentage. Look at the DIA, domestic institutional investor. They are also holding 16 percentage of investment on the company. Retail investors. We are the retail investors. We hardly have only we buy only 100 stocks, 1,000 stocks. We don't buy any huge quantity of stocks. And retail investors holding 7.6 percentage of shares. This is 100. If you add all the, we got 100%. So who are the competitors for Reliance company? IOC, Indian Oil, Bharti Airtel, and BPC. Well, these are the company. They're the competitors for P. B stand for the company which is doing same kind of business. Reliance, IOC, Bharti Airtel, and BPCL. These are the capital employed. What is capital employed? The amount of money the company makes every year, they put it back into the business. They put it back into the business. They generate more revenue for the business, as well as they generate more revenue to the shareholders. So we can also invest that, because Reliance company is not a small company. It's like a what? Dinosaurs. No one can beat Reliance, because the company basically everyone knows Reliance is based for oil company. No, Reliance has now become a very mammoth company, because no one can beat that the revenue, because the company has entered different sector. The company has entered into pharma. The company has entered into FMGCs. The company has entered oil sectors. The company is doing geo. You might have heard, no, geo, then internet. So company has touched the feet of different types of business. The amount of revenue the company is generating every year is very huge. No one can compare that. That's why the stock has given super return. Because next session I'm going to show you when to buy stocks, what are the technical analysis, when should I sell the stock, what time I should buy, where should I buy. Today I'm going to show you some secrets, because today I have not disclosed the secrets in my based on my experience. I'm going to disclose two secrets how to buy stocks. The moment you buy the stock has to increases. What are the secrets behind it? Why the stocks falls? Why the stock increases? What is the reason behind it? When should I buy the stock? When should I sell the stock? What's the plan? Every week I need to make profits. What is the strategy? For every week you can earn every week. Not, you don't wait for to get salary for every month. At the end of month you can make profits every week. I'm going to show you some secrets, because till date I have not disclosed the secrets. Based on my experience, today I'm going to show you. I disclose some secrets for you people, right? Again again Muthoot Finance. Look at the Bajaj Finance. So this stock also come under large cap stock. This is, if you want non, you can non, and this stock comes at NBFC. NBFC stands for non-banking financial corporation. NBFC stands for non-banking financial corporation, because these company that doesn't take deposit from the public, but they lend a loan to the public. For example, car loan, a bike loan, any consumer loan. If you're using any fridge, water filter, any in your home, they give you consumer loan. Look at the market capitalization. Large cap, 4,28,230 crores. Look at the revenue of the company, Bajaj Finance. So now the screen.com, if you go to screen.com, you just type here Bajaj Finance. Look at the profit and loss. Look at the sales of company, revenue from the past 10 years, from 2015. So 5,000 crores, 7,000 crores, 9,000 crores, 12,000 crores. Again, look at the revenue. The revenue of the company has increased from bottom left, from 5,000 crores to almost to 54,000 crores. The revenue of company has increased. The same manner, look at the profit of a company. 898 crores, 1,000 crores, 1,836 crores, 2,000 crores. Look at the profit of company. The profit of company has increased. That the same manner, the share price of company also has increased. So believe it or not, the people who are invested during 2020, all the people have become rich, because in 2020 the Nifty Indian index only was 7,000. Now Indian index has crossed 20,000 index, 20,000 value. So look at the EPS now. Look at the dividend paying now. So every year the company is also paying dividend, 10% dividend out of the profits. What is the dividend now? So part of profit is kept as dividend for the shareholders, both for preferred shareholders and equity shareholders. Because for preferred, so as we know, commerce graduates, they say the company has to pay dividend for. It's mandatory for preferred shareholders, the company has to pay, and there is no mandatory compulsory for equity shareholders, right? But So we are also eligible to get dividend from Bajaj Finance company. 10%, 11%, 9%, hardly. For the past 10 years, the company has been paying continuously every year 10%, 11%, 12%, 17%, 16% dividend for the shareholders. That is the here the investor getting returns in the same manner. They are also getting dividend from the company, because 2 weeks back we got dividend 22,000 from Hindustan Zinc, because we had planned that. We planned that we also made some profit from Hindustan Zinc, the Indian central government company, and we received dividend from Hindustan Zinc. Look at the sales of company every year, 27%, 5 years, and compounding annual growth rate. Look at the CAGR, compounding annual growth rate. Every year for the past 10 years, the compounding annual growth rate is 38%. What is the rate? Or return on equity? Last year, the company is giving 22%. The bank is going only hardly 6 to 7%, 8% per annum, but the stock is giving 22%. Your money is doubling quickly, right? 3 years, 21%, 5 years, 20%. Right? That's why in India, so rich people are getting very richer and the poor people are getting poorer, poorer, poorer. And it's the secret's vanished. Because when I was studying, no one had thought of this subject. If anyone had come to an institution, if I had thought of this concept, I would have become very rich now. Because I've been trying, I've been putting efforts the past 9 years. But my mission is to enrich everyone. Everyone should be able to earn. And no one should lose single penny from the market. Right? Look at the SBI Bank. SBI Bank. So this bank also comes under large cap stocks. Look at the market capitalization, 7 lakh crores. Can you imagine? Can you count? Can you calculate? How is it possible? I don't know how to calculate 7 lakh crores. Look at the market capitalization, 7 lakh crores. Large cap stocks. Look at the revenue of a company. SBI Bank. Look at the profit of company. SBI Bank. Because if SBI collapse in India, the whole economy will collapse. Is right or not? Because the central government bank, every person has opened the bank, every person has deposited some huge amount of money in SBI Bank, and every year the bank has been giving lending loans to the so many top business in India. If SBI collapse, the financial problem, definitely Indian market, Indian condition, Indian economy will also collapse. Because no one, the government of India will never allow the SBI Bank collapse. For example, S Bank. So recently, the scam happened in S Bank. Now the share price. So believe it or not, the share price was 500 rupees. S Bank. Now it has come to 1 rupee. Whatever the people who had invested are at the price of 500 rupees per share, right? So that's why we need to analyze before buying any stock. We have to keep in mind fundamental. As long as the company is very strong in the field in fundamentals, as we can buy any number of stocks, and the company and the bank will definitely give you super returns. So look at the returns, return on equity. The bank has generated for the wealth, and the bank has increased the wealth of the shareholders. Last year, the bank has given 17% returns. But if you keep the account in SBI amount in SBI Bank, what is the rate of interest? You are getting only 6% to 8%. But whatever the stock has given 70% returns within 1 year. Last 3 years, 16% returns. Last 5 years, 13% returns. Because I'm a practical person, because I don't fix my money in deposit in any bank. I know the stocks always give you super returns. I'm very happy because I'm getting much returns compared to bank. So look at the CAGR, compounding annual. This is basic metrics everyone has to use before buying stocks. So last year the bank, this stock SBI Bank has generated 40% returns. 40%. Can you imagine? 40% returns. Look at last 3 years, 60% returns, 5% returns, 20% returns, and last 10 years, 11% returns. Look at the compounding profit growth. So 3 years, 44%. Compounding effect, right? So 5 years, 19%, and 10 years, 17%. Again, this stocks comes under large cap stocks. So now I just showed you large cap stock, small cap stock, and mid cap stocks. IDFC First Bank, the small bank, Recently the bank was open, almost it's been 2 years, I think 2 years, 3 years, because this stock comes under mid cap. Why do mid cap? Here cap stands for capitalization rate, because the stocks under mid cap category. So again, large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Flexi cap. Flexi cap stands for combination of large cap, mid cap, and flexi cap. So this combination we call it as flexi cap. So again, I repeat once again: large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Because look at the market capitalization, 49,000 crores. Very small investment, 49,000 crores. So what are the players now? Look at the shareholding pattern. Look at the shareholding pattern of the company. Promoters is holding 35% shares, and FII, foreign institutional investors, are holding 19%, and DII 11% is holding. Retail less than 2 lakh, less than 16%, and others 16%. So all of you would like to see the shareholding pattern of Nayan Murthy, Sudha Murthy, Rohan Murthy. I'll show you now. No one has disclosed you, so I'm going to show you now what the share percent of holding by Nayan Murthy and Sudha Murthy. This is a shareholding pattern of Infosys company. So promoters, who are the promoters of Infosys company? So hey, Sudha Gopal Krishna, Rohan Murthy is the son of Nayan Murthy and Sudha Murthy. Nandan Nilekani is a famous person in the field of Aadhaar. Then Akshata Murthy, so daughter of Sudha Murthy and Nayan Murthy. Then Sudha Murthy was the shareholding pattern of company, and these people are holding this percentage of shares in Infosys company. And Nayan Murthy is only 0.44. But if you're thinking only 0.54, what's the value? I think the value is more than 50,000 crores. Is it enough, right? So more than the value is just Nayan Murthy is holding only 0.40 shareholding pattern, but the value is more than 50,000 crore, 1 lakh crores. This is Sudha Murthy is holding 0.82, and Nayan Murthy is holding 0.4, and Rohan Murthy, son of Sudha Murthy, is holding 1.45, and Akshata Murthy is holding 0.93. This is a shareholding pattern. So if these people are invested and holding running the company, can we invest? Yes. So without having any questions, we can go and we can invest huge amount of capital, and we can wait for a long time. We can get huge returns. So who are the foreign players? The foreign players, the foreign people, the foreign governments. These governments have invested in Infosys also. Infosys. Look at the government of Singapore. The government money, the Singapore government money has been invested on Infosys company. Look at the shareholding pattern, 1.89, 1.89, 1.98. As every year, the government of Singapore has increased the shareholding almost soaring close. So government pension funds and Vanguard, BlackRock, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, and this is the famous company in the field of finance in the world. So you can become a career in this company. Definitely, you can become also rich. So Vanguard Emerging Market Stock Index funds, Vanguard Total Return Stock Index fund, and these are the funds. These famous international funds have these people have invested a huge amount of funds or capital on Infosys company. Then why shouldn't we invest? If these people are investing a huge amount of capital, then why can't we invest? Why don't we invest? Can we invest that? Can you buy the stocks? Yes. So what about the people? Domestic institutional investors, Life Insurance Corporation of India, SBI Mutual Fund, and ICC Mutual Fund, National Pension Fund, UTI Fund, HDFC, SBI, ICC, Aditya. So these are the domestic institutional investors. These people have also invested huge amount of funds and capital on Infosys company. Next, governments. So government data is not available, and the public. Look at the public. Bank. So Deutsche Bank, Trust of America, Life Insurance Corporation of India, National Pension System Trust. Look at the others. So what are the total number of investors? 18 lakh 97,185. This number of this is not an amount. This is the people. These are the people. Number of people. 18 lakh 97,195 people have invested the capital on Infosys company. Look at the number of people have increased from the past 10 years. From 2013 to 2024. Almost 18 lakh to 25 lakh people, 25 lakh 76,991 people have invested their funds, their savings on Infosys company. And if you want to if you'd like to read the balance sheet for financial performance of company, you can download financial year 24 and financial year 23, 22, 23, 24. If you want to read analyze the balance sheet of the profit and loss account of Infosys company, you can download here the document here from Screener website. So I just showed you large cap stocks, mid cap stocks, and flexi cap stock and mid cap stock. Then, what is a mutual fund industry? How mutual fund industry work in India? This famous website called Money Control. Everyone can use it. Money Control. You can also use application Play Store. If you go to Play Store in mobile phones, you can also download application called Money Control. Money Control. So today's market is negative. All Indian index has fallen, has come down. The famous website Money Control, you can use that. Everyone is allowed free of cost. Look at them. In market, there are four categories. One is equity market, derivatives market, currency market, and commodity market. I repeat once again: equity market and commodity market, currency market, and derivatives market. But I concentrate always on both derivatives market and, because in BCom in MBA and MCom, there's a subject called capital market instruments. I teach the subject because I don't use any books. I teach the subject in live market in my college. Again, I repeat once again: equity market, derivatives market, commodity market, and currency market. So next, mutual fund. I'll go to mutual fund now. Top 30 mutual fund in India. Again, here the mutual fund has been classified large cap, as I explained earlier, large cap, mid cap, flexi cap, and small cap category. So if you open any bank, so what is mutual fund? Is an investment vehicle. I'm a fund manager. I collect pool of money from the public and invest on equity, derivatives, and IT sectors, and pharma, and different sectors. Because this is mutual fund. How a mutual fund works, I'm telling you. I have 9 years, 10 years of my experience. So if you open Canara Bank or HDFC Top Fund, HDFC Top 100 Fund, and this scheme as giving 34, the Indian index Nifty has given 34 rate of percentage returns, and this scheme has generated 34% per annum. And this this scheme is holding 96.32% on equity. F1 don't know, they are not investing in F1 stand for future and options. F1 stand for future and options, and foreign equity zero, total 96 point. And look at the stock, number of stocks is holding. How many stock this stock? This fund is called as HDFC Top 100 Fund Growth. So as I explained earlier, there are three kind of stocks in India. So growth stocks, dividend paying stocks, or dividend yielding stocks, or penny stocks. Because penny stocks doesn't give return, we don't concentrate that. We always concentrate on the company which has, it gives good returns, and which has been giving good return for more than 5 years, more than 10 years, more than 12 years. That's why we always concentrate on these stocks. I repeat also, there's a famous website in India. Everyone is allowed to use that money control website. It's free of cost. You can download the application in Play Store in mobile phones. So money control application you can use free of cost, right? So if you, there are so many options: market news, mutual fund trading, tech India portfolio watch list, and this another option called mutual funds. If you click on mutual funds, there are so many funds, top funds in India, top 30 funds, mutual fund in India, and risk manager, fund manager, portfolio, asset allocation, snapshot. So as I explained earlier, so there are four classification in Indian stocks. So large cap, so mid cap, flexi cap, and small cap stocks. So if you open HDFC top 100 fund, here I'll just give you information what is mutual fund. Mutual fund is an investment vehicle. They collect money from the public, a pool of public from the money from the public. So if they invest on particular stocks and particular sectors, they keep generating returns to the investors. Now also they increase the wealth of the shareholders. And the mutual fund industry has got almost 30-40 years of history in Indian market. Look at the fund size. Look at the fund size, 38,683 crores market capitalization. Market capitalization, right? Net, here, NAV stands for net asset value. That means uh, this fund has collected this amount of capital. Out of that, the company, this fund has invested 1,000 crores, right? So after collecting money, where do they invest? They must invest on stocks. The they invest only on debt, and these schemes comes under equity linked schemes. The fund has 96.3 investment in domestic equities, out of which 78.8 in large cap stocks. That means the fund is collecting 100 rupees, 96 rupees this they are investing on only Indian companies. Okay, look at the years, look at the rate of return this fund has generated for the past 1 year. The data is free of cost. Anyone can is allowed to use the data. You can extract the data from the mutual money control website. For the last year, this fund has generated 32% returns. From last 2 years, this fund has generated 52% returns. 3 years, 59% returns. Okay, they collect money from the public. What are the investment patterns? 1 year, 12,000. You can double your money, right? Okay. So where do they invest? Because this schemes comes under HDFC top 100 growth funds, right? So they collect from money from the public. They invest on ICC Bank because ICC Bank comes under large cap category. It's a private bank. It's a private sector bank. So what is the percentage of holding? So here this fund is holding 9.89% of holding, right? And what is the highest percentage? So again HDFC Bank. So national NTPC is central government bank. L&T might have heard L&T Finance, L&T IT sectors, L&T construction company. Bharti Airtel, because in India almost 40 crores to 50 crores population of Indian population they're using Bharti Airtel SIM card Airtel, right? But if you in same manner, if you had invest some amount in Bharti Airtel stocks, the stock has given super return, right? Because I'm just going through only fundamentals. So next will be a session will be super because I'm going to show you when to buy stock, how to buy stocks, when should I buy the stocks, right? Again, Bharti Airtel, Infosys, ITC, Reliance Industry, Axis Bank, Coal India. This is a mutual fund. So there are two type of investors, because if you have no idea how to invest stock market, you better choose mutual fund. I have experience. I can invest in money. I can buy the stocks. So I can individual my with my effort, my own efforts. So large cap category, again mid cap, again mid cap, SBA Magnum Fund. I open that. This fund is holding. So this fund SBA central government governed company, and this fund has invested money, collected money from the public. Torrent Power, Sundaram Finance, Voltas Limited, Crisel, Schiffer, Thermax. This is the company, and this fund is holding. So 90 out of 100 percentage, This scheme is investing 94.68 percentage on these stocks. If they collect 100 rupees, so they invest in 94.68 rupees on equity. So number of stocks the company this scheme is holding, 65 stock this company is holding. Again, large cap, what's the percentage of large cap? Only 8%, because these schemes come under mid caps now. That's why they've increased the investment on mid cap 47 percentage, small cap 15 percentage, and large cap only 8%. Again, flexicap, I opened SBA flexicap fund house. I'll dive into flexicap. Means combination of large cap, mid cap, small cap. This category is called flexicap. So this fund has invested so far 87.14% on flexicap. That means combination of what? Large cap, mid cap, small cap. HDFC Bank, ICC Bank, Axis Bank, HCL Tech, Cipla, Bharti Airtel, Kotak Mahindra Bank, SBA, and these are the large cap stock. Maruti Suzuki Company and Piramal Finance. These are the what? Right. So this fund has invested the whole money on all sectors. Look at the sectors now. SBA, Maruti Suzuki, Piramal Finance, pharmaceutical, Infosys IT sector, Apollo Hospital, State Bank of India, Eicher Motor, Bosch, Prestige Group. That means this stock has invested all the money in both large cap, mid cap, and flexi cap and mid small cap. This category is called FlexCap stock, FlexiCap fund. Again, small cap fund, Nippon India small cap fund. So look at the fund size, 62,259 crores, and net asset value 171 crores. And this schemes comes under small cap fund. So you can also invest on debt. That means a debenture. You can also invest on equity, but we always concentrate on equity because we want returns and we want returns that. The fund has 95%, 95.94 investment in domestic equities, of which 6.58% large cap stock. Out of 100 rupees, the fund has invested 95 rupees on equities, but only on 6.58% in large cap. So remaining rest of the investment has been made on small cap and mid cap stocks. Look at the Indian benchmark. What is benchmark here? Nifty 50 and Sensex has given 46%. Here, yellow line indicates that index. Now, the Nifty small this index has given 46% rate of rate return. The same manner, and look at this scheme. This scheme has given 45%, 45% rate of return per annum. Right. Look at the stocks. This scheme is holding. Which companies? State Bank of India, NLC, Bharat, BHL, Kirloskar, Apar Industry, Voltas. So these are the stocks. The company has a huge amount of bet on this company, right? Because the stocks come, this scheme come under small cap category. Small cap. This is a classification because before buying any stock, you must analyze whether I'm buying large cap stock, whether I'm buying mid cap stock, or small cap stock, or flex cap stock. So we need to analyze. We need to keep this in our mind before jumping into buying any stocks. Okay, this is the fundamental stocks. But how to buy stocks? How to buy stocks? So this is my demat account. I'm going to open my client account because currently I'm managing a client. I don't trade in my account, but I trade and invest in my client account because he has invested in money. I don't disclose that. So how to buy stocks? If you want to buy any SBI bank stock, look at the buy. Okay. Here there are so many options. Intraday. First one, first one. Because till now, from morning till now, I've explained how to before analyzing stock, how to analyze stocks, the fundamental analysis, and price to earning ratio, dividend yield, corporate governance, who is running the company, what is the percentage of the promoters holding company, what kind of or who is running the company, so corporate governance, dividend paying, how long the company has been earning profit, whether the company is earning a loss or profit and loss, what is the revenue of company. So before buying a stock, we need to analyze those things. So after analyzing all these things, we need to keep this in mind. So we have to buy the stock. But how to buy stocks? This is my Demat account, Zerodha. I would like to recommend all the people open Demat account in Zerodha, the famous stockbrokers in India, and they are holding almost, they have the clients more than 20 lakh Demat account. They are maintaining that Zerodha. It's a free of cost. So when I opened in 2016, the cost was 300 rupees to open Demat account. Now they have made free of cost. Every Indian clients, every Indian participants and customers, they can open Demat account with free of cost. So to open Demat account, you might Shukwa sir might have shared some documents to open Demat account. Because I can show you how to Demat account today at the end of session. So before when you want to buy any shares, there are two options. One is intraday, one is long term. Intraday means that the market will open 9:15. The market will open 9:15 and will close by 3:30. Right. If you mistakenly buy the stock intraday by clicking intraday option at 9:15, if you don't sell any stock, automatically the stock will be sold at 3:30. If you click option intraday, intraday means the buy today, sell today, buy today, sell today, intraday. If you mistakenly buy the stock by clicking option intraday, automatically the stock will be sold out by 3:30 automatically. So that's why before, so don't take risk in intraday. I'll show you some strategy. So one today, Monday, to Tuesday and Thursday, Wednesday, how to make profits. So in the trading investment, there one is long term investment and positional trading and breakout strategy and trended strategy. Today I'm going to discuss two strategy, the famous strategy in the world, how to make profits every week. Don't wait for to get salary every month. You can make the profits, you can make the salaries every week. I'm going to show you some in next session, like in the technical session I'll show you now. So there are two options, intraday and long term. Long term stands for your CNC. CNC stands for cash and carry. CNC stands for cash and carry, because the stock is trading. You buy you give the money, you buy the stocks, right? So there are two options: market and limit. So you always buy the shares in market. Don't click on limit. Don't click on limit. There's so many options. And you can buy shares in NSE. The two index stock index in India and stock exchange in India. One is NSE. NSE stands for National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. And Bombay Stock Exchange is one of the oldest stock exchange in India. And because we always buy in NSE, National Stock Exchange. So I always recommend buy the shares and hold the shares for 1 day, 2 day, and 3 days. Within 2 days, you can make profit at least 50 rupees, 60 rupees per share. Is it enough, right? If you get 50 rupees, 60 rupees, 100 rupees within 2 days, every week you can make profits. Every week you can make profits. Because today you can see my watch list. Some shares have fallen today. Some shares have increased, but there is a reason behind it. Why some shares have fallen today? Why some shares have increased today? I'm going to show you some next session in technical analysis. So always buy the shares in long term, cash and carry. Don't Don't do intraday trading. Very risky. Why? Because there are so many players. If you invest 1,000 rupees, there are some people who invest 1 lakh rupees. We cannot compete with them. If you invest 1 lakh rupees today, but some other person they invest at 10 lakh rupees, but we cannot compete with them. We cannot compete with them. That's why you buy the same types of trading: long-term investments, long-term trading, then intraday trading, then positional trading, then swing trading, then breakout strategy, then trendline strategy. So today I'm going to discuss two famous strategies in the world for the past 100 years. Last 100 years in the market ಹೆಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, at present ಹೆಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, next 100 years ಹೆಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ನಾವೇನ್ ಕಲ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, everything has been set up in the market. Only thing is we need to analyze properly, we need to buy the right stocks, and we need to book the profits. We have to exit from the market, because the objective of all the participants is to make profit. It doesn't matter how much may you make profits, when you make profits, but we know we make profits. We want profit, small profits, at least every week, at least 2k, at least 2k every week, 3k every week, at least 5k every week. There are 4 weeks in a month. If you earn 5k every week, we can make 20k every month. So that's passive income. We can create passive income on this profit, along with dividend also. So on this intraday, the long term stand for cash and carry. Here market, always buy market. So if you click on limit is different. Okay, what is limit now? I'm going to explain now. SBI Bank is currently trading at 796 rupees currently. The SBI stock is currently trading at rupees 796 rupees. So I don't want to buy these stocks, but I want to buy the stock when the stock comes to 790. That means I can buy, I can quote. Yes, I don't buy these stocks now. I want to buy at 790. If you buy now, you don't buy now. When stock is automatically bought and sold when stock comes down to 790. That is the option of limit option. How to use limit option? But no, I don't want that. I want to buy market option. Market means that at present how the share price is trading at present. That is market. Limit means that I don't buy the current market price. I buy the stocks when stock price comes down, when 790, 785. That is limit order. There are two orders. One is market order and limit order. So if you buy the stock, that comes from here, right? Today I'm going to buy stock in my client account, because this is my account. I'm going to open my client account. Okay. In trading, there are two types of trading. One is long trading. What is long trading? Long trading and short trading. Long and short. What is long? Buy and sell is long. Buy the shares and sell the shares. That is long trading. Again, this another called short trading. Actually, short trading was not in India in 2010. I think so. In 2010, the concept had come from America. Since then, and the Indian government, the Indian stock exchange has allowed the participant to do short trading. Short means what? Long trading means buy the shares, you hold the shares. When the share price increases, you sell the shares. That is long trading. What is short trading? Opposite side. Here, if you click on short, if you short the share price has to come down. The share price has to come down. When the share price comes down, you can book the profit. If the stock is increasing, you're making loss. But the shares you are shorting has to come down, has to decreases. When the share price decreases, you make profit. In market, there are two options. You can buy the stocks, you can short the stocks. Okay. If you look at the watch list today, some stocks has increased, some stocks has decreased. Today, who had shorted? Reliance Company stock, they made a huge profit today. Look at the Reliance Company today. Reliance shares has opened at 915,328. So it has gone to 1,335 rupees. Now again it has come down to from high 1,335 to 1,328. Almost 10 rupees on 8 rupees gone. Fall again. So blue color, are you seeing that? Is it visible? The screen is visible. The screen is visible now. So left side buyers, so right side sellers. So blue colors are buyers, and red colors are sellers. So there are number of buyers 5,75,000 buyers. Here sellers 3,86,000 sellers. Higher, buyers are more than sellers. Buyers are more than sellers compared to sellers, right? That's why the stock is not moving, right? But I'm going to show you why the stock is not moving, why the stock falls down, why the stock increases and goes up, and this volume and lower circuit and high open price, high price, previous day close. Yesterday, what was the price? The stock was closed and the low. Today, the stock has come down to 320. Again, the stock has jumped from 2000, 1320 to 1330. Almost from the bottom, from the today's bottom, the stock has increased to 1330. Almost 10 rupees have increased. Right. So if you buy here to the 1320, you can sell 10 rupees per share profit. If you had bought the 1,000 quantity, 100 quantity, you made 1,000 profit within span of half an hour and 20 minutes, right? So open, low, previous close, and high again. But today, HDFC Bank has increased. Opened 1,076. HDFC Bank today has opened 1,076. Again, it has gone to 1,741. 741, almost 16 rupees, 50 rupees per share increase today. Open today 1,076, and it has increased almost 1,742, almost 42, 41. Again, it had come to bottom. So again, it has touched 1,025. Again, currently the stock is trading at 1,735. Okay. So today almost you would have made almost 15 rupees per share profit today. 15 rupees per share. If you had bought 100 quantity, so 1,500 profits. What is the investment? 1,70,000 invest. You need investment. So if you had bought 100 quantity, 15 rupees profit, so 1,500 profit. And if you're right, so if you get 1,000 every week, 2,000, 2k, 3k, 4k profit, so every week you can enjoy your life and don't depend your parents' money. You can spend your own money. Because market past 100 years and at present and coming 100 years, market has been working on only three concepts. One is fundamental analysis, one is technical analysis, and psychology. Psychology matters a lot. Psychology, that means that we must have courage, and we must have courage, and we must be positive, and we must have patience. Definitely, if you have patience, definitely you can very, very rich, right? This is the famous company in India, CDSL, the small cap company. CDS stand for Central Depository Security Limited. Central Depository Security Limited is a monopoly stock. This stock comes under monopoly. That means that only single, there is no competitor. The stock always has given super return. This year the stock has given 123 point percentage. Look at the percentage, 123 percentage. The stock has given returns. Low here 684 to almost the stock has gone to 1,664, because there are 52 weeks in a year. There are 52 weeks in a year. So in a year, the stock has given from bottom 684 to 1,664. And look at the market capitalization, 31,000 crores, and this stock comes under small cap. Look at the financial performance of this company. Look at the events of company. Look at the events. The stock has earned 1:1 bonus, and the stock has earned dividend also. In the month of July, the stock has given, this company has given 3 rupees per share dividend. Again, in July also, the company has given 19 rupees per share dividend. This is passive income. Guys, I'm telling you how to make profits and how to get passive income from the stocks. If you make better plans, definitely you can make profits. Along with, you can also receive dividend from the company. So this year, this company has given, one is bonus shares. The company has allotted the client, the shareholders. Along with, the company has also given 3 rupees per share in the month of July. Along with, this year, the company has given in the month of July 90 rupees per share dividend, along with 3 rupees. Almost 22 rupees the company has given dividend per share for all the shareholders. So moreover, the company has also announced bonus shares 1:1. 1:1 stand for what? Every one share holding by client, they will get one share. If you're holding one share of company, you will get another share. Automatically, another share, one share will be added to your demat account. That is bonus shares, right? This is the famous website in all over the world. They use the website called Trading View, because every day I spend at least 2 hours to analyze the stocks. The famous website Trading View. Password. ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಫ್ರೀ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಯಾರು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೈನ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is the Infosys stock, and this look at the dividend.
Very strong.
Ah, that was right.
Yeah, and we'll go for a tea break.
So name.
Sunil, yeah, Department of Commerce.
Look at the Infosys. This stock is Infosys, and is a famous website, TradingView. Everyone is allowed to use it free of cost. And this famous website in the world, everywhere. If you go to US, UK, and India, everyone, the investors and the participant, the trader, and use this website called TradingView. The famous website in the world is free of cost. Everyone can use it. It's a free of cost. And here, why this website used to analyze the stocks, when to buy stocks, when should I sell the stocks, and okay. Here, D stand for dividend. This is the Infosys stock. I just opened the Infosys stock. Here, D stand for dividend. Look at the dividend. The company has given dividend amount 9.50 in 2020. I get dividend in 2020. Here, D stand for dividend. Look at the dividend from the past 10 year. This company, Infosys company, has been giving dividend continuously for all the shareholders. In the same manner, the amount of dividend also increased from 9 rupees to 15 rupees. Here, D stand for dividend. E stand for earnings. Look at the earnings of Infosys company, right? This time, look at the info, the reported estimate revenue almost 380 crores reported estimate. Right? This is the estimation and revenue of company. E stands for revenue, earnings and revenue, and D stands for dividend. And this is the news. This is the news. When going to news stands for how when the company is going to announce the earnings, the shareholders in public. So if you use website, you can use any website here. Infosys, because it's HCL Tech company. HCL, the famous company in India. Here, D stands for dividend. E stands for earnings or revenue. And here, either S stands for split. Split. What is split now? What is split now? So, if the share price is currently trading at 2,000 rupees, I have 2,000 rupees. I can only buy one stock. But the company has decided, has split the stocks 2 into 1. So now, if the company reduce 2,000 rupees to 1,000 rupees, I can buy two quantities. The currently share price is 2,000 rupees. I have 2,000 rupees in my account, in my hand. I can buy only one quantity. If the company split the share price into two category, right? From 2,000 rupees to 1,000 rupees, I can buy two quantities. Hey, what is the value now? So 2 into 2, 2,000 rupees. So I can buy two quantities, 2,000 rupees. That is called split. So look at the MRF company, you get shocked. The famous and the costliest share price in India, MRF. What is the share price? MRF, almost MRF from 2020. From 2020, the per share it was only 50,000 rupees per share. I was we have to pay 50,000 to buy 50 per share MRF tire. Now from 2020, it has gone to in 2024 1,50,000. 1,50,000 from 2022. It's been 4 years. The company, and if you had invested only 50,000 rupees, if you had invested only 50,000 rupees, if you had bought only one quantity of
It's not sharing.
So in 2020, so world war, the universe, India was also locked down. So everyone was sitting at home, spending time chatting with others. But we, the people, were not doing the same time. We were doing different because we were also earning because everyone was sitting at home, but we were earning sitting at home because we have been in market more than 9 years. We know how market works, and we made good profits. And if you invest, just look at the share price of MRF company, one of the cost no competitors for MRF company, and the costliest share price in India and the famous company in India, MRF. So look at the share price in 2020, 50,000 per share. In 2024, within span of 4 years, the stock price has gone to 1,50,000 rupees. So if you had invested, if you had bought in one quantity, if you had bought only one quantity of MRF company, what is the rate of return you're getting? 1,50,000. That means your investment is only 50,000, but you are getting 1 lakh returns. 1 lakh. So 2020, it was only 50,000 rupees per share. It had gone to almost, it has gone to 1,50,000. So look at the month now, month March 2024, Monday. It had gone to almost 1,50,000 rupees per share. What is the rate of return you're getting? 1 lakh rupees. But if you are kept the same amount in bank account, what is the rate of return? Interest you're getting only 8%, 9%. But look at the stocks. The stock has given super return along with dividend. Look at the dividend the company has paid the shareholders. D stand for dividend. For the past 4 years, since 2020 till date, the company has been continuing giving dividend. D stand for dividend, 3 rupees. Again 3 rupees. 94 rupees. In 2020, the company had announced 94 rupees per share dividend. 94 rupees. Look at the dividend, 3 rupees. That means almost how many times? Almost 10 times the company has given dividend for the shareholders. And look at the wealth the company has generated for the shareholders, right? Because the company has generated almost 100% returns, 100% within span of 4 years. 50,000 per share, it had almost gone to 1,50,000 rupees, highest lifetime high. For the first time in the history of MRF company, the share price of company has gone to 1,51,000 rupees. If you had bought and if you had sold here, 1 lakh rupees profit along with dividend, almost 10 to 15 times, 10 times the company from the 2020 till date, the company has given so much dividend, distributed dividend for the shareholders along with the returns. Okay. So from the morning till late till now, I complete all the fundamental analysis. So next session will be super because I'm going to disclose my secrets, how when to buy stocks, when to sell stock, what is secret strategy I'm going to disclose in next session. Thank you all for your patience listening.
Hello.
Mahajana Education Society was born on 30th June 1937, and as the very name Mahajana suggested, it was by the people and for the people. Starting with a mere 17 students, the Mahajana Education Society has grown into a huge institution, a giant tree under whose shade various levels of learning have taken birth, from preschool to post-graduation. From a bunch of 17 students in 1937 to a mind-boggling 5,333 students now, with a staff of 533 dedicated men and women at various levels. The Mahajana Education Society has a school, a pre-university college, a first-grade college, a law college, and even a postgraduate center, offering to students a huge range of subjects to study: science, commerce, arts, law. It has it all. The group has gone on to become the biggest educational institution in the city of Mysuru and one of the biggest in the state of Karnataka. Spread over an area of 7 acres in the sylvan surroundings of Jayalakshmipuram in Mysore, the campus is vibrant. Multi-storied buildings with large, airy and bright classrooms facilitate the all-round progress of students. No wonder students from as many as 20 countries study here. Affiliated to the famous University of Mysore, the Srimati Bhagyalakshamma Rattehalli Ramappa College, the Mahajanas College as it is popularly known, has been accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAC. The college has now undergone the 3rd cycle of accreditation with an A grade. For the Silver Jubilee of the first grade college and the Platinum Jubilee celebrations of the institution, no less a personality than APJ Abdul Kalam, one of the most loved presidents of India, was the chief guest. The infrastructure at the Mahajanas College is perfectly in tune with today's educational trends and demands. Well-equipped laboratories, rich in facilities, exist for various disciplines like biotechnology, biochemistry, microbiology, physics, electronics, computer science, criminology and forensic science, geography, economics, sociology, English, Kannada literature, and psychology. The college library is a repository of an amazing range of books, along with an advanced digital library and braille books for blind students. 32,000 books bear testimony to the depth of knowledge that students can delve into. The Mahajanas College has been linked to the satellite-based education system, EduSat, for bringing a virtual classroom experience to both the students and teachers alike. Many students who have passed through the hallowed portals of this college have gone on to become famous personalities in the country. Jaggi Vasudev, the internationally renowned mystic and yogi; S.M. Krishna, the former Chief Minister of Karnataka; B. Rachaya, a former Governor of Kerala; Tulsi Dasappa, a prominent Member of Parliament known for his social values; former Vice-Chancellor of the Mysore University, Dr. Shashidhar Prasad; Kannada writer Purna Chandra Tejasvi; and in recent times, Yash, a popular actor in Kannada films, to just name a few. Many illustrious personalities have visited the college on various occasions. Muhammad Yunus, a Nobel laureate; Sundarlal Bahuguna, the founder of the Chipko movement; environmentalist Salu Marada Timmaka; Gnanpith awardees U.R. Ananthamurthy and Chandrasekhar Kambar. Their interactions with students have indeed been an inspiration.
Ever seen brilliant people who lag behind because they cannot speak well? Not all important.
The Vivekananda Hall and the Silver Jubilee Open Air Theatre add to the intellectual ambience, while the Jagdish Prasad Stadium hosts a variety of sporting activities. A modern gymnasium exists as well. Suchit Kumar and KB Pawan in cricket, Prahalad Srinath and Pooja Shri Venkatesh in tennis, Chanchal Kanwar in karate, and Pratik in skating have held the Mahajanas flag high. The National Cadet Corps, NCC, is part of the college agenda as well to make students develop a sense of discipline and nationalism. The state and CBSE high schools, along with the pre-university college, have made the education spectrum comprehensive. The Law College was started in 1992. Its aim is to serve society by producing conscientious lawyers. Now moving on to the Pooja Bhagwat Memorial Mahajana Postgraduate Center on the KRS Road here in Mysore. It's a sprawling campus with stately buildings on 15 acres of land. What started with a Master of Computer Applications course in 1999, today it offers postgraduate and diploma courses in as many as 13 disciplines. MSc Computer Science, Master of Computer Applications, MSc Microbiology, MSc Biotechnology, MSc Biochemistry, MSc Chemistry, MA Economics, Master of Social Work, Master of Commerce, Master of Business Administration, Master of Business Administration CSR, Masters in Tourism and Air Travel Management, and a Masters in Tourism Administration. Apart from all these courses, a Bachelor of Hotel Management course is also conducted on the same campus. Well-equipped labs for biotechnology, microbiology, biochemistry, computer science, and even an R&D facility all make learning at the postgraduate level a highly comprehensive experience. The library offers multiple opportunities to students to enhance their knowledge potential, while the auditoriums make for great intellectual occasions. The Mahajana Department of Tourism and Hospitality Management offers a unique degree, indeed a one of its kind in the city of Mysore. Managed by thorough professionals who have vast experience in the hotel and tourism sectors, students are trained methodically in the nuances of the industry, from marketing tourism to promoting the culture of the land, to gaining hands-on experience in the art of dishing out various cuisines, cocktail making, bartending, housekeeping, and even setting a restaurant table. Many students have been selected by various reputed companies like Infosys, IBM India Private Limited, ICICI Bank, Vodafone, Toyota Kirloskar Auto Parts, Axis Bank, and India Bull Housing Finance. The Mahajanas College has now become an institution as strong and tall as an oak tree, where the imparting of knowledge is paramount to the destiny of the institution itself, an institution called Mahajanas.
ये है ब्रेकआउट और आप एंटर करोगे यहाँ पर। ब्रेकआउट होने के बाद, वॉल्यूम दिखने के बाद,
The Vivekananda Hall and the Mahajana
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ಸ್ 93.5 ರೆಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಎಂ ಮೈಸೂರಿನಿಂದ ಇದು ಆರ್ಚೆ ಪುನೀತ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. SBRR ಮಹಾಜನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮೈಸೂರು. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ವೈಬ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ವೈಬ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಿಡಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ದವನಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ದವರು ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾಗಿದ್ರು. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಅಲುಮ್ನೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೂಪರ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್. And I wish all the very best to everyone studying and teaching, non-teaching staffs ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ರೇಮ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಬಿಗ್ ಥಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ಸ್ 93.5 ರೆಡ್ FM. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಡ್ FM.
ಹಾಯ್, ಹಲೋ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಆರ್ ಜೆ ದೀಪಕ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು SBRR ಮಹಾಜನಾಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ನಮ್ಗೊಂಥರ ಹಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಸ್, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಾಯ್ತು. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹಚ್ಚ ಹಸಿರಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹಸಿರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತ ರೀತಿ ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪರಿಸರ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಯಾಗಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇದಂತಹ ರೀತಿ ಅಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ತೋರಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಂತಹ ರೀತಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಮಹಾಜನ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಹಾಜನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಓದಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದಂತಹ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವದಾದ್ಯಂತ ತನ್ನ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ನಾವು ಒಂದು 10 ಜನನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರೊಂದು 3 ಜನ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾನು ಮಹಾಜನ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಓದೋನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಖ್ಯಾತಿ, ಹೆಸರು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಒಂದು ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಉಜ್ವಲವಾಗ್ಲಿ. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಆರ್ ಜೆ ದೀಪಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ಸ್ 93.5 ರೆಡ್ FM. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ.
Lights! The all-new Jupiter is more than more. Call alerts, navigation and some more.
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ ಜೆ ಸುನಿಲ್. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಮಹಾಜನ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪ್ 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾಜನ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ತುಂಬ ಮೇಲೇನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಒಂದು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಓದು 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 ಓದು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದ ಜೊತೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡೆಗಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ಗಳು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದೊಳ್ಳೆ ವೇದಿಕೆಗಳು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಖೋಖೋದಲ್ಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಬಡ್ಡಿನಲ್ಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ KPL ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಸೂರು ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಮಹಾಜನ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟೇ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದ ಜೊತೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಕನಸು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರೀಡೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ, ಸೊ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಬೆರೆತಾಗ ಅವನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಜೆಯಾಗಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತರ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಈ ತರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಾಗಲಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತೊಡಗಿಸೋದಾಗಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾದಂತ ವಿಚಾರ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Annual stock trading are gone. In the next 5 years, AI will.
The Mahajana Education Society was born on 30th June 1937. And as the very name Mahajana suggested, it was by the people and for the people. Starting with a mere 17 students, the Mahajana Education Society has grown into a huge institution, a giant tree under whose shade various levels of learning have taken birth, from preschool to post-graduation. From a bunch of 17 students in 1937 to a mind-boggling 5,333 students now, with a staff of 533 dedicated men and women at various levels. The Mahajana Education Society has a school, a pre-university college, a first-grade college, a law college, and even a postgraduate center, offering to students a huge range of subjects to study: science, commerce, arts, law. It has it all. The group has gone on to become the biggest educational institution in the city of Mysuru and one of the biggest in the state of Karnataka. Spread over an area of 7 acres in the sylvan surroundings of Jayalakshmipuram in Mysuru, the campus is vibrant. Multi-storied buildings with large, airy and bright classrooms facilitate the all-round progress of students. No wonder students from as many as 20 countries study here. Affiliated to the famous University of Mysuru, the Srimati Bhagyalakshamma Rattehalli Ramappa College, the Mahajanas College as it is popularly known, has been accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAC. The college has now undergone the 3rd cycle of accreditation with an A grade. For the Silver Jubilee of the first grade college and the Platinum Jubilee celebrations of the institution, no less a personality than APJ Abdul Kalam, one of the most loved presidents of India, was the chief guest. The infrastructure at the Mahajanas College is perfectly in tune with today's educational trends and demands. Well-equipped laboratories, rich in facilities, exist for various disciplines like biotechnology, biochemistry, microbiology, physics, electronics, computer science, criminology and forensic science, geography, economics, sociology, English, Kannada literature, and psychology. The college library is a repository of an amazing range of books, along with an advanced digital library and braille books for blind students. 32,000 books bear testimony to the depth of knowledge that students can delve into. The Mahajanas College has been linked to the satellite-based education system, EduSat, for bringing a virtual classroom experience to both the students and teachers alike. Many students who have passed through the hallowed portals of this college have gone on to become famous personalities in the country. Jaggi Vasudev, the internationally renowned mystic and yogi; S.M. Krishna, the former Chief Minister of Karnataka; B. Rachaya, a former Governor of Kerala; Tulsi Dasappa, a prominent Member of Parliament known for his social values; former Vice-Chancellor of the Mysore University, Dr. Shashidhar Prasad; Kannada writer Purna Chandra Tejasvi; and in recent times, Yash, a popular actor in Kannada films, to just name a few. Many illustrious personalities have visited the college on various occasions. Muhammad Yunus, a Nobel laureate; Sundarlal Bahuguna, the founder of the Chipko movement; environmentalist Salu Marada Timmakka; Jnanpith awardees U.R. Ananthamurthy and Chandrasekhar Kambar. Their interactions with students have indeed been an inspiration.
Hey, listen. What are you doing from Monday to Friday, 5:55 a.m.? I have a plan. Want to join? I know. You will be like, no way.
The Vivekananda Hall and the Silver Jubilee Open Air Theatre add to the intellectual ambience, while the Jagdish Prasad Stadium hosts a variety of sporting activities. A modern gymnasium exists as well. Suchit Kumar and KB Pawan in cricket, Prahalad Srinath and Pooja Shri Venkatesh in tennis, Chanchal Kanwar in karate, and Pratik in skating have held the Mahajanas flag high. The National Cadet Corps, NCC, is part of the college agenda as well, to make students develop a sense of discipline and nationalism. The state and CBSE high schools, along with the pre-university college, have made the education spectrum comprehensive. The Law College was started in 1992. Its aim is to serve society by producing conscientious lawyers. Now moving on to the Pooja Bhagwat Memorial Mahajana Postgraduate Center on the KRS Road here in Mysore. It's a sprawling campus with stately buildings on 15 acres of land. What started with a Master of Computer Applications course in 1999, today it offers postgraduate and diploma courses in as many as 13 disciplines. MSc Computer Science, Master of Computer Applications, MSc Microbiology, MSc Biotechnology, MSc Biochemistry, MSc Chemistry, MA Economics, Master of Social Work, Master of Commerce, Master of Business Administration, Master of Business Administration CSR, Masters in Tourism and Air Travel Management, and a Masters in Tourism Administration. Apart from all these courses, a Bachelor of Hotel Management course is also conducted on the same campus. Well-equipped labs for biotechnology, microbiology, biochemistry, computer science, and even an R&D facility all make learning at the postgraduate level a highly comprehensive experience. The library offers multiple opportunities to students to enhance their knowledge potential, while the auditoriums make for great intellectual occasions. The Mahajana Department of Tourism and Hospitality Management offers a unique degree, indeed a one of its kind in the city of Mysore. Managed by thorough professionals who have vast experience in the hotel and tourism sectors, students are trained methodically in the nuances of the industry, from marketing tourism to promoting the culture of the land, to gaining hands-on experience in the art of dishing out various cuisines, cocktail making, bartending, housekeeping, and even setting a restaurant table. Many students have been selected by various reputed companies like Infosys, IBM India Private Limited, ICICI Bank, Vodafone, Toyota Kirloskar Auto Parts, Axis Bank, and India Bull Housing Finance. The Mahajanas College has now become an institution as strong and tall as an oak tree, where the imparting of knowledge is paramount to the destiny of the institution itself. An institution called Mahajanas.
Don't want to look at charts all day, but still trade like institutional professional traders to catch moves like.
It was by the people and for the people. Starting with a mere 17 students, the Mahajana Education Society has grown into a huge institution, a giant tree under whose shade various levels of learning have taken birth, from preschool to post-graduation. From a bunch of 17 students in 1937 to a mind-boggling 5,333 students now, with a staff of 533 dedicated men and women at various levels. The Mahajana Education Society has a school, a pre-university college, a first-grade college, a law college, and even a postgraduate center, offering to students a huge range of subjects to study. Science, commerce, arts, law, it has it all. The group has gone on to become the biggest educational institution in the city of Mysore and one of the biggest in the state of Karnataka. Spread over an area of 7 acres in the sylvan surroundings of Jayalakshmipuram in Mysore, the campus is vibrant. Multi-storied buildings with large, airy and bright classrooms facilitate the all-round progress of students. No wonder students from as many as 20 countries study here. Affiliated to the famous University of Mysore, the Srimati Bhagyalakshamma Rattehalli Ramappa College, the Mahajanas College as it is popularly known, has been accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAC. The college has now undergone the 3rd cycle of accreditation with an A grade. For the Silver Jubilee of the first grade college and the Platinum Jubilee celebrations of the institution, no less a personality than APJ Abdul Kalam, one of the most loved presidents of India, was the chief guest. The infrastructure at the Mahajanas College is perfectly in tune with today's educational trends and demands. Well-equipped laboratories, rich in facilities, exist for various disciplines like biotechnology, biochemistry, microbiology, physics, electronics, computer science, criminology and forensic science, geography, economics, sociology, English, Kannada literature, and psychology. The college library is a repository of an amazing range of books, along with an advanced digital library and braille books for blind students. 32,000 books bear testimony to the depth of knowledge that students can delve into. The Mahajanas College has been linked to the satellite-based education system, EduSat, for bringing a virtual classroom experience to both the students and teachers alike. Many students who have passed through the hallowed portals of this college have gone on to become famous personalities in the country. Jaggi Vasudev, the internationally renowned mystic and yogi. S.M. Krishna, the former Chief Minister of Karnataka. B. Rachaya, a former Governor of Kerala. Tulsi Dasappa, a prominent Member of Parliament known for his social values. Former Vice Chancellor of the Mysore University, Dr. Shashidhar Prasad. Kannada writer Purna Chandra Tejasvi. And in recent times, Yash, a popular actor in Kannada films, to just name a few. Many illustrious personalities have visited the college on various occasions. Muhammad Yunus, a Nobel laureate. Sundarlal Bahuguna, the founder of the Chipko movement. Environmentalist Salumarada Timmaka. Gnanpith awardees U.R. Ananthamurthy and Chandrasekhar Kambar. Their interactions with students have indeed been an inspiration. The Vivekananda Hall and the Silver Jubilee Open Air Theatre add to the intellectual ambience, while the Jagdish Prasad Stadium hosts a variety of sporting activities. A modern gymnasium exists as well. Suchit Kumar and K.B. Pawan
investing investing.com. We can also use that. ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ ಯಾವುದು ತಗೊಳೋದಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ. So we can also use this website, investing.com, for technical analysis. But widely, everyone in the world, the top investors and the top traders, the technical analysts, they always and every time they use this website. So free of cost, everyone can use it. So trading view website. Okay. So before buying the stocks, we need to analyze. There are three trends in market. One is bull trend, bullish trend, or bearish trend, and flat trend. So if you analyze this trend, because I teach statistics, in statistics I always tell my student one thing: if you analyze the trend of any stock, the trend becomes your friend. The trend becomes your friend. So if you perfectly analyze any trend of any stock price, definitely the trend become your friend, because from the past 100 years, from 2019, 1900 until date, how the market has been working and how presently market is working, operating in next 100 year, the same thing market will be working. That's why always tell my students and the participant investors, analyze the trend. The trend, if you analyze, if you succeed in analyze the trend definitely become your friend. So the trend becomes your friend, so definitely you can keep booking profits. Okay. So if you buy any stock, if you analyze the trend, I'll draw a trend line. First, I'll draw a trend, how the trend moves. Trading website, the option called, so option, there is so many patterns here. There is so many patterns. I said Elliott view, 1 to 5, A, B, C, D. You can select any one. I select 1 to 5. So how the stock moves, first I'll draw the line. So this is the pattern for the past 100 years. At present, next 100 years, the market will work like this. The market is working like this. So this bullish trend, this is the bullish trend. So you can connect the point here: low 1, low 2, high 1, high 2, high 3. That means this is a support zone. This is the resistance zone. This is the resistance point. This is support point, the support. If you take scale, if you draw the line perfectly match. In any stocks, the market is working like this. So point number 1, if you buy here, you can sell here. Again, if you sell after selling here, you wait for the stocks falls down. Again, you buy here. Again, the stock move from here. So this is support point. If you draw the line like this, keep the line somewhere else, definitely the stock will come back. This is the resistance point. Connect this point, connect the first point, second point, and third point, like this. The support point, support 1, support 2. That means the stock is not falling below this point. Support, you buy here, you sell here. Again, you buy here, you sell here. Support point, connect point, supporting point, support, and the resistance point. Resistance point 1, resistance point 2, and resistance point 3. Right. Okay. This is bullish trend. But how the bearish trend? How the bearish trend work? It falls down, again it pulls back, again it crosses the low, connecting point, this one. So connect the point now. This is a resistance point, and this is support point. This is support point. This is a bearish trend crossing this low. Resistance point here. You can buy here, you can sell here. You can buy here, you can sell here. Again, you can buy here, you can sell here. This is the bullish bearish trend. Bullish trend means the stock is increasing. Bearish trend means that the stock is decreasing. The flat means stock as neither increasing nor decreasing. This flat trend. How the stock flat trend? Flat trend or consolidation phase or accumulation stage, we can also in different manners we can call it as this is flat trend, or accumulation stage or consolidation phase, we can call it as consolidation phase or flat trend. So in this stage, the stock doesn't go up, doesn't come down. The stock does neither go up nor come down. This is a pattern has been repeating for a long time. So that's why before buying the stock, whether we must analyze the stock is in bull trend. That means the stock has to keep increasing that. So if you buy the stock, if the stock is falling down, if the buy the stock, the stock doesn't go up. It keeps coming down, coming down, coming down. This common mistake. Every investors, every trader make mistakes. This mistake should be avoided. That's why before jumping into buying any stock, we must analyze whether the stock is bullish trend. Some people buy the stock automatically. As soon as they buy the stock, the stock falling down. Again, their investment gets locked. They have to wait for 1 month, 2 months, or 1 year, or 6 months. Right? That's why we have to analyze the stock is in support zone, or selling zone, or buying zone, and the stock is in bullish trend or bearish trend or flat trend. This is a flat trend. This is a flat trend. Now look at the MRF tire now. MRF tire. I teach you how to draw the line. Look at the MRF tire. Draw the trend line. Trading website, use the trend line option. So the stock has moved here. Look the point now. Every time the stock, this point here, the stock from this point has increased, has gone to from 11,000 rupees to 45,000 rupees. Again, the stock had come down from 45,000 rupees to 30,000. Again, you don't know the trend line, how to draw. Just to draw the trend line, keep it somewhere else. Again, the stock will come to the trend line. Automatically, the stock will come to trend line and meet the trend line in coming future. Here, for point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, point number 4, point number 5, point number 6. But in coming days, here MRF time will definitely 100%. I can bet that the stock will come here. Now this is the buying point. Now this is the buying point. Now this is the buying point. This is the long-term investments. And so I would like to teach you a breakout. One of the famous strategy. This is the trend line. This is the trend line. Every MRF time here. It comes here. Again, it has come here. Again, it has come here. It has come here. It has come here. Oh, connect all the points. You connect just all the points here. You buy here. You sit here. You forget the stock. Again, come back after 2 days, 3 days. The stock will increase. The stock will be increased. Right. So again, this is the MRF. Look at the Infosys now. Infosys stock. So search here Infosys. Here, all green. This is the volume. This is the volume number of people who had bought huge volume of shares. Right. Green color stands for buyers. Red color. This is a famous chart patterns. Red color stand for bearish, and the sellers. They are sellers. They are selling huge volume of shares. There are different types of charts here. If you click here, candlesticks, hollow candles, volume candles, line chart. You can use different charts. Hollow candle and hollow candles, Japanese candle, and this pattern. This chart is for Japanese candlesticks. One of the best and most famous chart in the world. Every trader, every investors, they keep using this chart pattern. Japanese candle chart pattern. Japanese candle chart patterns. Here, red candles refers to red candle refers to sellers, and green candle refers to buyers. Okay. This Infosys company. Again, draw the trend line now. Again, draw the trend line for Infosys company. Draw the trend line. Look at the trend line now. How the stock has behaved. How the stock has come to same point here. In 2010, the stock price 135 rupees. Again, in 2013, again the stock has come down. From 135 rupees to stock had increased to almost 428 rupees. Again, stock has come to trend line. That means trend become your friend. That's why always suggest all the participant trader analyze the trend, whether the stock is in bullish trend or the bearish trend. This is Japanese candlestick. Here, this is low, and this is candle. The body of the candle is open, close, long wick. This long wick high. Again, I repeat also again. I repeat here. This low. The body of the candle open. Here the candle opened here and here closed here. Again, this is high. High yogi. It has gone high 994. Again, it is closed at 896. 896. This is low, opened, close, and high. Green candle. Here, and there's a famous strategy in the world. Every investors, every trader use that breakout strategy. One of the famous strategy in the world, breakout strategy. Because look at the Infosys now. Analyze the Infosys now. From 2018 October, then 2020, the stock is in consolidation accumulation phase. Here, from this point, again the stock has gone here, it has come here. Again, as I explained earlier, the stock is in consolidation phase, accumulation stage. Again, the stock has come here, but the stock is in not. There is no bull trend, no bear trend. But stock is moving sideways. The stock is neither increasing nor decreasing. No, the stock is moving sideways. From 3 years, Infosys company has not given returns. But look at the breakout strategy. From this point, connect all the points here. You connect all the points here. From this point, here it has come here. Again, it has gone here. Again, it has come here. You can draw the line. It has come here. It has come here. Again, it has come here. Again, it has come here. It has come here. It has gone here. But from this point, this candles, the strong green candle has crossed all the high. This big movement, and the big players have entered the market. Big players, a big institution have entered the market. They bought huge quantities of Infosys company from this point, because here the candle had opened here and closed here above this level, and this level, and this level, and this level. The candle has closed above all the levels. That means the candle crossed all the level, and the candle was closed above this level. From this point, look at the Infosys. What are the returns? From this point, look at the Infosys has increased from 840, almost from 800 to almost 1995. Because this is a famous strategy in the world, breakout strategy. You can apply this strategy all the stocks. If you pick up one stock every week like this, every week you can make huge amount of profits. But only thing is, we need to analyze. We have to pick up the stock, whether the stock is bullish or bearish, and whether the stock is breaking. So you can apply this strategy for all the stocks, for all the sectors. Breakout strategy. You can note it down. Breakout strategy, because this candlestick has closed above all this level. From this point, look at the trend. Look at the point. Trend. Look at the trend now. Look at the trend now. Bullish trend. Good bullish trend now. The stock, Infosys stock has not fallen. Infosys stock was going up and up every day, every week. Look at the here, right? From 800 to almost here 800 to almost 1995, 1955 almost. What's the rate of return? 100%. When the breakout strategy happened, now the stock was broke out at above 800 level. Almost it has given returns. It has gone to 1955, 1955. Almost you got 150% rate of return. Okay, now next, trend line strategy. This is one of the famous study in the world, breakout strategy, because we can apply the same study for Shriram Finance or Shriram Finance. Shriram Finance. Yes. Look at the Shriram Finance stock. Here, a time frame is there. 1 week time frame, 1 day time frame, 1 month time frame. We always use 1 day time frame, 1 day time frame, or 1 week time frame. Different time frame. 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 week, 1 day. Because market will open at 9:15 and market will be over by 3:30. What's the duration? 6 hours trading. 6 hours trading from 9:15 to 3:30. 6 hours trading. In 6 hour trading, the stock should not fall from 9:15 to from 3:30. The stock price has to keep going up. So look at the now analyze the Shriram Finance. That I'm telling you people how to enter the stock. Don't buy the stocks randomly. If someone calls you buy the stocks, if someone gives you tips in WhatsApp and Telegram, don't believe anyone. Just do your own research. After doing extensive research, you enter the market. You buy the stocks. Depends on how much money you're going to invest, how many quantity you're going to buy the stocks. Now analyze in Shriram Finance stock. Shriram Finance from February this year, January this year, January till date, till almost June, the stock has not given returns. The stock is in consolidation phase. Look at here. The stock is in consolidation phase, accumulation stage, or choppy. That means the no break bullish trend, no there is no either of what bullish trend nor bearish trend, and the stock has broken here from this point, and this stock has crossed the levels from January to June. But in the month of June, here look at here, in the month of June, Thursday 13 2024, and the strong candle open up here. That means the huge volume of players, and they bought huge volume of quantities of this shares, Shriram Finance. But Shriram Finance from this point has not followed it. So if you look at the graph chart now, the strong bullish candle, and the candle has crossed all the levels here from this point, and here closed above. This candle was closed above all the levels. So from this point, look up. So 13th January, Thursday, next morning, Friday, again Friday. So next morning from 2686, from 2686 to, and the stock has gone to from continuous 3 days. Continuously, the stock has increased from this level. That means a bullish trend is created. Bullish trend was created. How the trend created? Because from January, from 2024, from January, the stock has neither gone high nor come down, and the stock was in consolidation phase of choppy trend or sideways. The stock moving sideways. But in the month of June, here the candle was opened above all the levels. Here low point, candle opened, candle closed, and here candle was closed above all the levels. So from this point here, the stock has given super return, because when the breakout happened above all the levels, the stock price was 2671. Almost from 2671 to it had gone to 3060. You can apply this strategy all the stocks in India. Not only India, foreign stock also. Amazon is there, then Apple stock is there, Google stock is there. There are so many stocks in India, right? But from this point, the stock has not fallen. From this point, you can buy here and you can sell here. You are buying here 2,677 and you are selling here 3,060. Almost you got 350 rupees share profit per share. 350 rupees per share profit. You can book the right. You buy here, you sell here, right? Again, the trend has reversed. As I explained earlier, here the bull trend, again the trend is here bearish trend. Again, from this point the stock has come down, because here look at the chart here. This diagram, this chart is called what? Small candle. This small candle, long wick, and this body of the candle is very larger than the small body. That means that here the sellers have entered the market and they are selling the shares of Shriram Finance. That means that everyone is booking the profits. They bought here. They bought the shares of huge volume of Shriram Finance. The SAT they were waiting for the momentum, big momentum. Definitely, finally, big movement happened after the breakout. So from this point, look at the rate of return within span of 3 to 4 days. From this point, within 3 to 4 days only, so almost the stock had gone to 3,060 rupees. Almost you got 350, 400 rupees per share profit. So from this point, the stock has come down. The trend has reversed. The trend finally has come. But how the trend is created? Because here, these are the sellers. Bearish candle. Bearish stands for the big players, sellers have entered the market. They are selling the shares of what? Shriram Finance. That's why here this stock has come down. Shriram Finance. This one of the famous strategy in the world, breakout strategy. If you apply this strategy every week, every day, you can make good profits. You don't wait for money till one. At the end of month, you can make profits every week, every day if you apply this strategy. Okay, this is Shriram Finance. Now look at Reliance Company. We can apply this same strategy in Reliance Company. I'm using 1 day time frame here. You can use 30 from, but I'm using a long time frame, 1 day time frame. Again here, look at the same pattern happen here. The same pattern. If you analyze the stock, the same pattern always gets repeated. This stage in stock market is called consolidation phase or accumulation stage. That means the big players are buying the huge quantity of what? Reliance Company. But look at here, again breakout strategy happen now. Here. This from in the month of January this year, again till the month of what? June 2024, the stock has not given returns. But in the month of June, here the big candle opened here. That means so many players are investing huge amount of capital on Reliance Company. Here finally the breakout happened. This is the breakout happened here. The candle opened here. The candle closed above all the levels. This is the level. This level has been tested so many times from January till June. But in the month of June, the levels was broken. This level was broken and the candle has increased. The candle was closed above all the levels. So from this point, look at the Reliance from 1,500 to 1,607. Almost within 2 to 3 days, you got the stock has given 107 rupees profit. Almost 10%, almost 8% returns. Almost 8% return the stock has given you within span of 3 to 4 days. This is called as position trading. That's why don't do intraday trading. You buy the stocks, you apply the breakout strategy, wait for 1 day, 2 day, the stock definitely will give you 100% returns. Don't intraday, because we cannot compete with big players and we cannot compete with supercomputers, because so many, and we cannot compete with algo trading. You might have heard algo trading, right? algo trading. They do automatic machine trading. They do that. So that's why I don't suggest to the people to the intraday, don't do intraday trading. So always buy the stock. You buy for after the breakout. You buy here. You sell to tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You can book profits. That means that every week you can make profits. Every week you can book profit by using this strategy, breakout strategy, one of the famous strategy in the world. You can apply the same strategy, right? So we can analyze TCS. We can Lupin, the famous company in a pharmaceutical company in India. Lupin. Can we apply the same strategy again? The same pattern has been repeated. Same pattern also. Here, in the month of February 2024, since 2020 February till July, the stock has not given returns. But look at the breakout happened. Breakout happened from this point. Candle opened and the candle closed. The strong candle. That means that here. Look at the volume here. Volume here. This stands for volume and volume. The candle closed above this level. The candle closed above this level and breakout strategy. And from this point, look at the stock now. From this point, the stock has given wonderful return. So within span of 1 month, you can become rich by applying this strategy, breakout strategy, right? From this point, the stock has not fallen. The stock has gone high from almost 1743, almost 2300 rupees, almost 600 rupees profit, 600 rupees per share profit, 600. But from this point, and the stock has gone because here bearish trend is created. That means the sellers have entered the market, have come to market, and they are selling Lupin shares because they're booking profits. They're booking profit. They're enough as I, because satisfaction is more important than making profits. I'm done. I got good returns. I don't stay for a long time in the market. I want profits. I'm exiting from the market. Again, I come back. I analyze the different shares. Right. So from this point, the stock has increased. Look at the bullish trend. So from this point, the stock has come down. Right. But why the stock has come down? Look at the here the bearish candle. This is a strong red candle. Red candle stands for sellers. Red candle indicates sellers, and green candle indicates buyers. These are small candles. They can call it as dozy candles and twinning bars. Dozy candle. At top we are seeing dozy candle. That dozy stand for indecisions, and stock may go up, stock may come down. But what is the confirmation? But after the doji candle, next candle opened bearish candle, strong red candle. But after red candle, look at the stock has come down. From this point, the stock can almost 2255 to the stock can come to 2186. You can buy here, you can short here. Long trading means buy and sell. Short means sell and buy. Long means buy and sell. You buy the shares, you wait for 2 days, you can sell the share. That is called long trading, long investment. Short means what? Sell means the stock has to come down. Short, sell and buy. Long trading and short trading. Again, the stock has come down from this point. Here, draw the line now, draw the trend line. From this point, bearish trend is created. Again, it has gone here, it has gone here, it has gone here, it has gone here. But look at the here, connect the point. Connect the point now. But look at the candle now. Here, if you draw the line perfectly, all the point 100% perfectly gets connected. Here, point number 1, point number 2, and point number 3. But after touching three times, same level, the stock again increased. Here, the strong bullish candle opened. Again, here opened, here closed. This is called bullish engulfing candle because previous candle is very small. Next candle is very big. Previous candle, very small bearish candle. Next candle is very big candle open. That indicates the big players, again institutional buyers, big players and foreign players. They're buying huge volume of Lupin shares. They bought when here the bought indicates the here huge candle opened, huge and strong candle opened. This is called bullish engulfing candle. That means this strong candle is covering previous candle. So from 2117, again the stock has increased. The stock has increased 2118, almost 100 rupees per share. It has given returns 100 rupees per share within span of one year. 24, 25, 27, 28. 3 days. 3 days continuously the stock increased continuously, because this strong candle opened on 24 Thursday 2024, next day 25, and next day 27, 28. 3 days continuously the stock was going up, going up, going up and up and up. And stock has within 2 days, 3 days, the stock has given you 118 rupees per share profit. Which stock? Lupin stock. Lupin is pharmaceutical company. They manufacture medicines. They produce medicines and sell the medicines across the globe, and they have good business across the globe. That right. Next, we analyze the Asian Paint. My favorite stock. There are famous stocks in India, so you can note it down. Asian Paints, Pidilite Industries, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Bank, Infosys, TCS, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICC Bank. If you do, there are 3,000 companies in India. There are 3,000 stocks in India. Don't watch all the stocks. Don't put all your money all the stocks, and don't put your money in a single basket. You don't put all eggs in a single basket. The same man, don't invest on all the stocks. Right. I would like to show you some famous fund manager in India. His name is Saurabh Mukherjee. He has written so many books in India. He's a famous fund manager. Yes. Is it visible? Is a famous fund manager in India. Believe it or not, he was selling coffee in UK. He came to India in 2010. He started his investment journey in India, and he has opened a fund. The fund name is Merciless Investment. His fund name is, you can see that his name is Saurabh Mukherjee, and he has opened a fund. The fund is named after Merciless Investment Manager. His fund name is Merciless Investment, and he has invested 5,000 crores. He has invested 5,000 crores only on 5 companies. Do you want me to know which company those? What are the companies he has invested? And he has bet so many company. One is Bajaj Finance, because Bajaj Finance was a famous company in India, and the company has been in India more than 30-40 years. And the company, their business model is very strong. Their market capitalization is very strong, and they have been selling different types of products in India. You can see Pulsar bike. If you buy any consumer products, if you buy any home appliances like TV, washing machine, fridges, they give loans. But we are taking loan, they are making profits. We are taking loan from those company, and they are making profits. And his favorite stock is Bajaj Finance. HDFC Bank, then Pidilite Industry, then Asian Paint, and Page Industries. So now analyze these stocks now. Whether from 2010 till date, Bajaj Finance has given returns or not? Bajaj Finance. He has written so many books. One of the famous book in India, Coffee Can Investing. You can note it down. Coffee Can Investing is a famous book in India. He has written that. The book has been written by Saurabh Mukherjee. Is a famous fund manager in India, and he has written. And so millions of copies have been sold across the globe. Even I also bought the book and read the book. because I started my investment journey in 2016 and 17. I've been in market since 2016 17. Almost I got 8 years, 9 years of experience in market. So because of my hard work, the God is giving returns every week, every month. Okay, now analyze Bajaj Finance from 2020. The whole world was locked down. India was also locked down. Share price of Bajaj Finance 1767 in 2020, 2020, right? May 2020 witnessed it, right? Now, what is the current price today? Today, the share price of Bajaj Finance is trading at 6,887. But almost it has gone to October in the month of 2023. If you had invested 2020, if you had sold the stock of Bajaj Finance in 2023 from 1,770, here the stock had gone to almost 8,177. 8,177. What's the rate of return? If you have kept the same amount in bank account, what is the rate of return you get? Only 6 or 7%. But what about the stocks? Right? Within 3 years, from 1,762, the stock had gone to 8,000 rupees. Can you imagine? What is the amount capital you got, the profits, capital gains you got? Right? If you just invest the 10,000 rupees, you got almost 7,000 rupees per profit, almost 6,000 rupees per share profit within 3 years. Along with the company has also given dividend. You can here 2020 10 rupees dividend. D stand for dividend. Again here 2021 dividend. Again here also dividend. E stand for earnings. Yeah, E stand for earnings. And from 2020 also the stock and the company has been giving returns. Now analyze the trend now. So look at now, almost from the point from 2020. From 2020, how to draw? I'm teaching you how to draw trend line. Look at the trend line is meeting, right? The trend line is meeting, perfectly meeting, touching all the lines. Here buy here, again wait here. The point is coming, the stock is coming at the trend line. Again the same point is coming here, touched here. Again the stock is touched the same here. That means the after coming here, the stock has bounced back. Here also the stock has bounced back, has gone high from this point. Again the stock is touched here. Again the stock has increased from here, right? This is the trend line. That's why always suggest a student and the participants and investor trader always analyze the trend. The trend is in bullish trend or a bearish trend or flat trend. Here look at the Bajaj Finance. But Bajaj Finance from this point has given super return from this point till date, right? But now from this point, so from this point September 21 to almost this year 2024 21, the stock is moving sideways. The stock has neither increasing nor decreasing. The stock is moving sideways. But you can also buy here, right? This is the bottom level. This is the bottom level. So if you are planning to buy any, if you plan to buy in coming today or tomorrow, you can buy your Bajaj Finance. The stock will move up because these are secrets I'm going to discuss. I'm discussing now because the stock is touching here. Stock is kissing here, right? The stock had come here. From this point, the stock had gone high, bounced back. Again, the stock came here. From this point, this is point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, point number 4. Again here, the fourth time, point number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fourth time, after touching the fourth time, the same levels here, 6,400, 6,500. Here, strong green candle opened. That means here green candle covers previous red candle. Here the small red candle, next candle is very big candle. Look at the volume now. So along with the cancer indicator, the famous indicator in the world, everyone, every institution, every top traders, every top investor use the indicator. The famous indicator is called RSI. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. Option here, indicators. Open the indicator, you type here RSI. Open here, RSI. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. Here, when the stock is here, you can see the adjustments here. $70.30. When the stock is coming below 30, here you can see the 30. This is called oversold zone. Oversold zone. So many people have sold millions of quantities of Bajaj Finance. Right. Oversold zone. And again, the stock has gone here. Overbought zone. So many people have bought the stock, but from this point they are selling. And this is oversold zone. 30, 70. 30 and 70. 70 stands for 70 and above 70 stands for overbought zone, and 30 and below 30 stands for oversold zone. So from this point the stock has bounced back. Can you the strategy? So there another indicator is called Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Band strategy. Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is not good. We don't use that. So you can use that moving average. Moving average. Moving average. Moving average. Here settings. So we like 20 days. How the stock has gone, how the stock has moved from the past 20 days, right? From this moving average, because I always use two indicators. One is moving average, simple moving average, then RSI, relative strength index. Relative strength index stands for 30 and 70. 30 stands for oversold zone. From that point, the stock has to bounce back. And this is overbought zone. The stock has to come down. That means the people who had the people who had bought here, they are waiting here. The stock is moving, and finally the stock reached this level. From this point, the stock has gradually come down, has declined. Can you see that? The stock here has declined from this point. 70 and 70 above stand for overbought zone, and here 30 and below 30 stands for, here you can see that here number 30, below 30 stands for what? Oversold zone. Here the stock has to bounce back. Here from this point the stock has to come down. So you can see that. So after applying this indicator, you can see the stock from this point here the stock has increased. Again from this point the stock has come down. Here you look at the chart now. The stock has come down. Now it has to bounce back. Look at here 27. After this indicators touching 27, 30, 27, again from this level the stock has bounced back. Can you see that? Yes, you can see the stock has from this level, from 6,597 to almost it has gone to 7,098 rupees. Here you can black red mark is showing that the stock is falling today and showing bearish trend. Almost from this point the stock has increased to 7,100 rupees. If you bought here this month October 23, today 29th, today last Wednesday 23, today 29th of October, if you had sold today, you got profit 7,009 rupees, but it was 6,600 rupees last week. What is the rate of return? Almost 400 rupees, almost 8% returns. 8% returns you got within span of 3 to 4 days, right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So market works only Monday to Friday. There will be no market in Saturday, on Sunday. No market. Only market works on Monday to Friday from 9:15 to 3:30. So there are 4 types of market. One is because today I'm explaining you equity market. So again, another market called derivatives market, and they trade futures and options. Then currency market, then commodity market. There are 4 types of market. Commodity market evening will open at 5:30 and will be trading at almost 10 till 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock night. Again, the stock has given right here index from this point. If you analyze the trend here, if bought here, if you had sold here, again you would have got profit. Again, the stock has fallen. But why the stock has fallen? But stock has not increased further after this level, because here the top players, they're selling here. Top level from the top, they're selling. They're pushing the stock below into the low level, right? Again, after pushing down, again strong red candle opened. But after that, the stock has come down. Right? That's why I understand how the bullish trend is created, how the bear trend is created, how the market works. Okay. So look now analyze Indian index. Nifty 50. Nifty 50. Nifty 50. Analyze the Nifty 50 now. So Nifty 50 and NSE Stock Exchange in 2020 in March, it came down to almost 7,500 index value in 2020. That means here oversold zone. It was in oversold zone in 2020. Only index value 7,500. What is the current index value at present? 24,000. Almost the index has increased from 7,000 below 7,500 to 24,500, right? Almost 14,000 points increased. That means that if the stock increases, index also increases. If the stock decreases, index also decreases. How the top 50 Nifty 50 stand for top 50 company in India. Top players, who are the top players in India? Reliance, Infosys, SBI Bank, HDFC Bank, the top players. If the HDFC Bank increase today, index also increase. If Infosys increase today, index also increase. If SBI Bank falls today, Nifty falls. There are different index today. Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, Nifty IT, Nifty Pharma, Nifty FNGCs. Different sectors. Right. So from this point, if you had in index fund, there's fund called index fund. Yeah. So if you had bought index fund in 2020, now Nifty had gone to almost from the bottom to 7,500. It had gone to almost 26,000. Top history for the first time Indian stock market history, the Nifty 50 crossed 26,000, almost 26,200 points. But look at the stocks now. Look at the SBI now. Okay, can you see the wonders of now? I will show you some wonders now that happened during 4 years. Tata Motors. Okay. So everyone was sitting at home in 2020. Everyone was chatting with friends and family. Now, what are the share price in Tata Motors in 2020? It was only 70 rupees. 2020, you can see the date 2020 March Monday. Yes, March 2020 Monday and 23 2020. It has been 4 years. 4 years have passed. 4 years have gone. And if you had invested 1 lakh rupees, if you had invested 1 lakh rupees in Tata Motors, it was only 70 rupees per share. 70 rupees per share in 2020. 4 years have gone. 4 years have over. So almost from 70 rupees to what is the highest point it has crossed? 1,176. 1,176 rupees. What is the rate of return you got? 1,000%. Within 4 years, within span of 4 years, this stock has given investor, has returned the investor 1,000% returns. Can you tell me any banks which give us a 400% return, 1,000% returns for 4 years? No bank in India, no bank in the world gives us 1,000% rate of return within 4 years. But look at the stocks now. This stock, it was only because here this is a bullish trend. Here, the trend has not reversed here. The bullish trend, if you had bought the stock here at rupees 63 rupees per share in 2020 and now 2024, this year in the month of August, the stock had gone to lifetime high of 1,180 rupees. 1,180 rupees. So you bought at 63 rupees, you are selling at 1,180 rupees. Almost you got 1,000% returns. That is the wonder of investment. That is the power of stock market. That is the power of equity market. Right? Right. Everyone is getting shocked, right? Everyone is getting shocked. Because if you have kept the same amount in 1 lakh, if you had invested 1 lakh rupees, what is the quantity? You got almost 1,500 quantity. 1,500 quantity into 1,000 rupees. Almost your investments 1 lakh rupees has increased to 13 lakh rupees. Can you imagine? In 2020, if you had invested only 1 lakh rupees, if you bought the shares of Tata Motors in 2020, it had been 55 rupees or 65 rupees per share in 2020. In 2020, now recently this year in the month of August, the stock had increased to 1,181. Your investment of 1 lakh rupees have increased to 13 lakh rupees. Can you calculate? Right? If you're investing 1 lakh rupees, you're getting what is the volume you're getting? You're buying 1,500 quantities. 63 rupees per share. You're investing 1 lakh rupees. What is the quantity you got? Almost 1,600 quantities. You can calculate it. You got 30. Your investment 1 lakh rupees has increased to 1 lakh divided by 63 rupees. 1 lakh divided by 63 rupees. What is the quantity? How many quantity you got?
1,517.
Okay. Into 1,100 money.
17 lakhs.
What is your investment?
97,000.
97,000. What is the rate of return? 17 lakh rupees profit. Remove your investment 1 lakh. We can make a round figure 16 lakh profit. Or 15 lakh. 15 lakh. You can make a round figure 15 lakh. So if you had invested 1 lakh rupees on Tata Motors, what is the rate of return? 16 lakh profit. 16 lakh within 4 years. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 4 years have gone. 4 years have gone. It's been 4 years. The stock has shocked everyone. Highest point for the first time, the stock has touched the lifetime high of Tata Motors, 1,186. Everyone got shocked. So can you name the bank? Which bank in India give us 1,000% returns? 1,000%. But the stock, because Tata Motor is famous for good corporate governance, good quality company. They produce cars. They produce different types of cars. They sell the cars in India, across the globe, in US, in UK, in Russia, in Japan, in Asian continental, African continentals, European continentals, and India also. And the market shares of Tata Motors is very huge. No one can compete with Tata company. That's why always follow the elephants. Don't follow ants. If you follow ants, anyone can rub the hands. Any can destroy the hands. Always follow elephants. Always follows dinosaurs. No one can beat. No one can fall down. Right? So that's why you go to stock. This is the wonder of investment, guys. I'm telling you, people. This is secret to become rich in future. Right? So every person has the right to become rich. So change your mindset. Change your mindset. Don't work for salary and you create your own income. This is a strategy, right? Tata Motors. Okay. Now I'll show you another stock, ITC company. ITC company. In 2020, it was only 134 rupees per share. Look at the indicator now. The indicator showing that below 30, below 30. Oversold. So many people have sold the stocks, and no one was believing that the stock will move up. Now, what is the current price now? Almost the stock has increased to 528 rupees. Almost this stock also has given 300% returns within span of 4 years, right? So why the stock has fallen? Look at here, here, here. This is the level. This is the level. The stock is not moving up, but after the small green candle, next candle is very very important. Bearish candle, strong bearish candle opened. That means that the strong bearish candle is stronger than previous green candle. This is a green candle, very very small candle, but next candle, bearish candle, the candle opened. So next day again the stock has come down. Look at it, next candle open. But look at here, this is small bearish candle, small green candle. This is dozy or small wick candle, or hanging man. This is hanging man, inverted hammer, a reverse pattern. Again, this is dozy. But here, this phase is called consolidation phase. This phase is called consolidation phase, accumulation stage. You can draw here, take the trend line here, mark the levels. This is the levels. If you watch any 1,000 videos, all the mentor, all the teachers teach the same thing. You can watch 1,000 videos. If you type in YouTube, you will get 1,000 videos. You will get 1 lakh videos. You will get, but all the famous trader in the world, they will teach you the same thing. One is bullish trend and bearish trend, or consolidation phase, accumulation stage. Right here, mark the levels now. Mark the levels now. This is pattern. This famous pattern of wedging pattern or triangle pattern. This is the pattern, triangle pattern. But after the so many days consolidation phase, from Monday 2024 February till almost July. But after July, month of July, on 15th Monday, 8th of July, here big players enter the market. Big players, they bought huge volume of ITC company, right? So from this point, look at here. From this point, here candle opened here. Candle closed above this level. But here, this is the big movement. Big movement happened. Candle closed. We got confirmation. We can buy. So we can go for buy huge quantity of from this point here, from 456 to next Monday, right? So Monday. So next one day. After 1 week, we can buy offer. We can keep the stock for 1 week, right? So for next week, the stock given on 457 to almost it had gone to 509. Almost you got 40-50 rupees per share, right? Almost 50 rupees per share profit, right? This is the perfect analysis. That's why before buying a stock, we need to analyze whether stock is in bullish trend or the bearish trend or choppy trend or flat trend. We need to analyze that, because some people buy the stock randomly. No, don't make same mistake and don't repeat the mistakes. If you make the mistake, your investments gets locked for 1 month, for 2 months, for 1 year, for 6 months. That's why before entering the market, you analyze whether your market is in bullish trend or market is in bearish trend or flat trend. But look at here, the stock has not given returns, but automatically from this point, the stock very quickly has increased from this level, right? There's a power of market. So investment doubled quickly. Again, here bearish trend. Now, look at the Asian, my favorite stock. Asian Paint, Pidilite Industry, HDFC Bank, Infosys, and Reliance. I don't follow in Reliance, but I always follow Infosys, Pidilite Industry, and Asian Paint. My favorite stock, because these are the monopoly stock. This company has been in India more than 20 or 25 years. Look at the dividend. Look at the dividend. The company has been giving for a long time. D stand for dividend, 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 dividend. E stand for earnings. Here, again, if you draw the trend line here, 2020, Corona time, it was only 1426. 1426, 2020 March. Now it has gone to almost 3570. 1490 way and 3570 rupees per share. Almost you got 2500 rupees per share profit. What's the rate of return? Almost 200% returns. Within span of 4 years, you got 200% returns. 200%. No bank will give you rate of interest. Can you tell me which bank give us good returns? No, only 6%, 7%. But the stock has generated, increased the wealth of the shareholders, right? But from this level, the stock is not moving up. Again, the stock has come here, bounced back here. Again, here strong after a red candle. So next candle is very important. Next candle is green candle opened. So from this level, again, the stock almost here, almost 300 rupees per share increased from this level. So this pattern indicates that bullish engulfing pattern. This is known as, you can note it down, bullish engulfing pattern, because so previous candle is very small, big red candle. Next candle is very, very important. Next candle is green candle, and the green candle is covering previous candle. Bullish engulfing pattern, bullish engulfing pattern. But after the candle, look at the movement. Big movement happened from this point. From this point, so the stock has increased from this point till here, almost this level. The stock here 2679, and here almost 1354. Almost you got 8 and 9 rupees per share profit within span of 4 to 5 days, right? Because a single candle represent 1 day. Single candle represent 1 day, because every day from 9:15 to 3:30, 6-hour trading happens. So every year, this 1 day time frame, each and every candle represent 1 day time frame. We should always. So I would like to tell you some strategy. Always follow big time frame, higher time frame. Don't follow 1 minute time frame, 2 minute time frame. Always follow 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minute, or 1 day time frame. If you buy here, you sit for 2 days, wait for 2 days. Day after tomorrow, your demat account profit will be showing. You'll be so happy. You can take the profit and enjoy Zomato, Swiggy, and travel across the globe. Okay. So everyone use Zomato to order pizza, burger, non-veg, right? Have you analyzed Zomato share price? Zomato? No, Zomato. Because Zomato now, from this point, almost, because we applied for IPO. We got IPO. So we got 70 rupees IPO. Next day morning, IPO, Zomato had gone to 150 rupees per share. Today we bought 70. Tomorrow 150. We sold. We got almost 100% return. Listing day. IPO announcement day, we got allotment day, we got 70 rupees allotted. But we sold at 150 rupees. What is the rate of return? 110% rate of return, right? 70 from 150. Right. So look at the Zomato now. How Zomato has increased now? Almost 2023. Last year, it was only 45 rupees. 45 rupees in the month of January 2023. So now 2024, the stock had increased lifetime high of 299. Here 299. Right. So from this point, the stock had come down. Here strong bearish candle. bearish candle represent the sellers are entering the market. They're selling shares of what? Zomato company. They're selling that. So here long week, long small week, like a long week. Here they indicate the sellers. They are sellers. They are sellers. That means the stock will never go up. The stock 100% will come down. We can go for shorting. Shorting. If you're confirmed, if the stock is confirmed, how do we get confirmation? Here, strong bearish candle open. Next candle also small wick is open, a small body of the candle. Look at that. But after we got confirmation, we can go for shorting. Here, look here, shorting. So finally, so from 283 to almost 256, almost 30 rupees it has come down. So long trading means buy and sell. Short trading means sell and buy. Buy and sell, long trading, long trading, long investments, and short means sell and buy. And in Zomato, we can also chart here, right? We can also analyze short here, right? Here we are not seeing any strong candle. After small candles here, also small candle here, another big candle opened here. Another big candle opened here. So big candle open, we got confirmation that means the huge players are buying huge quantities of what? Zomato company. Right. So now from this point, the stock has gone 59 rupees to almost 80 rupees. This is short. That means with this short period of time only, so the stock has given good returns, 30 rupees per share. Right. Again, we got another confirmation here, the small candle, but here, look at here, again another strong candle opened here. Another strong candle opened here, right? Strong candle, right? But look at next candle, very small bearish candle, very small bearish candle. But here we got confirmation here, very strong bullish candle opened here. So this close the high. If you can see here, bullish and a bearish candle, hanging man, dozy. Dozy stand for topple, top. The hammer, hanging man, inverted hammer, reverse is open, close. Here, open and close. Here, look at this pattern, right? Look at this pattern. That means that if you are getting this pattern at bottom level, that means the stock will move up. Bearish candle here, bearish candle opened here, closed here, and this is dozy, and next candle confirmation, we got bullish candle, we got bullish, this confirmation, right? This confirmation, and we can buy here. But the top, look at the top side now, there is dozy, but after dozy candle open and close, look at the next candle now, confirmation, we got confirmation, bearish candle, but after bearish candle again it has fallen down. So now analyze the stocks now. So analyze Pidilite, my favorite stock, Pidilite industry. Here, draw the trend line. Here, draw the trend line. Draw the trend line now from this line. But in future, 100% sure that Pidilite industry, it has to come this point. But ಲೇಬೇಕು ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So look at the trend line now. So from this point, again the point is touched here. From this point, the stock has increased now. Again the point is touched here. The retest happened. Again the stock is came here. Again from this point, the stock increased. But if you're buying this point, the stock at point, your investment gets locked. You have to wait for almost 6 to 7 months. The stock won't come up. That's why before buying any stock, we have to analyze bullish trend or bearish trend. Then you can buy the stocks. So here again 100% in future the stock this support zone, right? Supporting point 1, supporting point 2, 3 and 4 and here. So what is the resistance point? Current resistance point now. Perfect meet ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If under any stock, the stock moves to point number 1. Here this resistance point, the stock touched here, again came down. The stock here touched here, again came down. The stock touched here, again came down. Every time when the stock meets support point, support zone, the stock will go up. Supporting point. Every time the stock meet at resistance point, the stock will come down. Okay, don't buy the stocks at resistance zone is short there, and don't sell the support zone. It will go back. It will increase. You got it. You got the point now. This is trend line strategy. So how do we confirmation of stock will go up in or? But after here, continuous. Look at the chart now. Zoom it. From this point, from here till here, the stock has not gone high. We got so many red candles. No one is coming forward to buy the shares of our Pidilite Industries. They are waiting for the correction. They're waiting for the stock has to come down. It has finally come down. But after coming down, so after so many days, from Wednesday, January, it came down to almost February, Monday 2024. So after February 2024, so Monday, we got confirmation. We got confirmation 2,555. We got confirmation, but from this level, the stock increased almost 2,744 within span of 3 days. Almost 250 rupees per share profit. Enough, right? We got good profit, right? Within span of 3 days, if we get 250 rupees per share profit, enough, right? We can enjoy. We can lead our life very happily. We can travel across the globe and we can buy whatever we want. We can buy Apple phones. We can buy Mercedes-Benz car, right? Right? Is it right? That's why compounding effect. Don't spend the money. Spend the money or make some profit. Save it, invest it, and keep doubling the money. The secret of success. So the secret of every richest person in the world. No one would like to share with people that. Next, another different stock now. So this is a selling. This is a selling zone. So this is a selling zone here. From the top here, long wick candle open. Long wick is open. That means that so many people are selling. The pushing the stake to come down. Again, coming down. But we got confirmation, right? We got confirmation here. After getting strong bearish candle here, what is the next candle? Opened. The stock finally came down. These are the different candlesticks patterns. Here you can see that here, head and shoulder pattern, then bearish candle, dozy, long wick. We need so much time to train you people, right? So now still the stock is falling. Pidilite stock falling because we are not getting any confirmation. But after opening, look at the here RSI also is coming down below 40. If it comes down to 30, below 30, we can buy. We can go for buying, right? Still is at 40. So 30 means oversold zone. 30 below 30, 70 plus overbought zone. So when the stock comes to 30 level, we can go for buying. The stock will bounce back. And if the stock moves up 70 plus, the stock will never go up. Definitely, it has to come back. It will fall down. This is 30-70 strategy. RSI strategy. RSI stand for Relative Strength Index. So now we are not getting confirmation here. But after the candle, after we getting confirmation, one day candle, green candle has to open. Like this, right here, right? Green candle opened here. Now from this point, The stock increased. So look at the SBI Bank company. SBI Bank. Look at the SBI Bank. So in 2020, it was only 150 rupees. Now almost it's touched the lifetime high of 899. So here you can see the breakout strategy here. Breakout strategy. Look at the point now. This point, this level, almost this level has been tested so many times. But after testing so many times, here, we got confirmation here. We got confirmation. The stock crossed all the levels here, opened and closed above the level of all the resistance point. All the resistance point. So from this level, from 672, automatically and finally, fastly, very quickly, the stock gone to 792. Almost 672, 792. Almost we got 120 rupees per profit within span of 3 to 4 days. This is what we call it as breakout strategy. So now what is swing trading? So I use 15-minute candlestick or 30-minute or 30-minute time frame, 30-minute patterns, 30-minute time frame. So here SBI Bank in 30-minute frame, if you could draw the line, look at here. So many times the stock touched here, SBI Bank. Here touched here, it has increased this point. Again, just at the same level. From this point, the stock increased. Again, the same level tested here. It increased here. This level touched here. Again, we got confirmation 30-minute time frame. We got confirmation strong candle opened a green candle, and from this point the stock 771 to almost 804, almost 34 rupees we got profit. Enough, right? So you can buy 100 quantities, 34 into 100, 3000 profit. Enough, right? Every week you can get 3000, 3k, 4k profit. Enough, right? We get a happy life. Don't depend on parents, right? So next, the same point, the same stock tested the same levels here again in this month on 25th 771. Again this point the stock increased from 77 to 813, right? Again 40 rupees, you got profits. This is called swing trading, right? Swing trading. So in market, levels very important. Levels, whether you're buying a support zone or selling zone or resistance zone, that is important. So don't buy any stocks, any shares at resistance zone. That is a selling point. Everyone sitting quietly. So many people will come and sell the shares, but don't buy. You buy the shares when your support zone happens. So support point and resistance and more levels. Levels is very, very important. Again, so analyze TCS company. So can we apply breakout strategy? This stock also gives us super return. Breakout strategy. So look at here, breakout strategy. We can apply breakout strategy because I know, because I could analyze the stock instantly. Look at the breakout strategy here. This level, the stock touched here. The same level touched here, tested here. The same level tested here. But after testing the same level for many days, from January 2021, 21 April, again 21 June, the same level tested so many times, but after testing 3 times, finally TCS company breakout happened. This breakout strategy. But after breakout happened in the month of August 2021, from 3,456, it has increased to almost 3,984 rupees. Almost you got 450 rupees. Almost we got almost 600 700 rupees per profit within span of 1 month, right? This is how the market has been working more than 100 years. How the market is working at present. In coming 100 years also, the market will be working same as it is. Only your analysis must be perfect. Otherwise, you need to consult a doctor, like experts, market experts, to find the right stock and to find out the levels. Because market is working based on levels. After some level, the market will come down or will go up. You got the point now? Again, so look at the TCS company. Again, this is in bearish trend. Bearish trend. If you buy here, your investment gets locked. Here, 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 here. Full bearish trend. But after bearish trend, the stock tested here, right? Look at that, tested here. Same level. From this point, it has increased. Right. Here the level is testing here. The stock is not moving up. Here levels locked here. The stock is not moving, crossing this level. So after so many small candles, a dozy, we got long week, inverted hammer, but we got confirmation here. We got confirmation here. Strong bearish candle. After the strong bearish candle, the stock is continuously falling down. But before opening candle, we can go for shorting. But how do we go for shorting? Because here waiting, the level is not crossing. The level is testing. Again, also testing. He also tested here, right? There are so many bearish candles and long candles, right? So then here, big bearish candle opened. We can go for shorting. Within 1 day, we can make crores. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible, but we need confirmation. Okay. So I hope you liked my session. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the post-lunch session.